nothing but these things she dey do me. Oh yeah, they like I'm so. This girl, she a bad, she a bougie. She a hold me tight, she so cute. Oh my baby girl, I love what you do. Then things she dey do me, yeah, they like I'm. Let me see. Oh na 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 na. 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 Hey, I got a girl that she a bad bitch. Baby girl, I dey love what you do. See them things she dey do. I dey see me, I will never let you go. My baby, my lady, this small boy, my dad. I never see anybody like you, babe. You know that I love you. See, when I give it to me, that is I feel like a king in my own jungle. And I suck it, I'm needing my empress for you, though, and cannot go. Oh, na 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 na. 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 To all the beautiful ladies in the house right now, everybody, make us see the answer. Make us see the answer. Na na na, na na na, na na na. 1, 2, 3, everybody now. Say, come now, you are carry go. Oh, your love, baby, you, I love you so. Make you know, tell me something, me, I don't go to London for your love. Baby, you, they make a go. Mad over you, mad over you, mad over you, mad. You, they make a go. Mad you, they make a go. Mad you, they make a go. Mad you, they make a go. Na 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 na. Funny girl with the melanin, baby girl, I dey love ya. Anytime you there for me, baby girl, I dey like ya. Body on my body, baby, I'm loving you. Make you know they for me, I make you do me like this. Hold me down, my lover, no they do me like that. Make you try desire, me a day forever. Body on my body, baby, I'm loving you. Anytime you tell me, ah, hey. Oh see, oh see, oh see. Much love to DJ, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Put it up for me right now. DJ. Much love to you. As I said, this is my second time performing in Kumasi. All thanks to Dr. Frank Amakwini for making this possible. When I say mass, you say mellow. Mass! Mass! Much love to everybody.
Right, mo yen sem bio mano mass mellow. Eti me kasa Dr. Frank Amakwini ye actor no. Mumu bebre anje ani. Se uko YouTuber, there is a channel, Earth Dreams Entertainment. Na uko search Earth Dreams Entertainment, a movie or your friend the chase. Nipa or ye soundtrack no, eye mass mellow. Na uko head doctor or ye actor, what you call nekoshe. You would understand the reason why or person revive Kumawood, because Kumawood eye naniwa. And Nyame adom ye timi peja Kumawood. We can foresee the number of people at Kumawood able to employ. Eti abesremo momia mo na chidom enu nti na wato nsa afre Kumawood All Stars ene Kejetia versus Makola CMA at the fair we na Ashanti region emre bi atwam ne wade bi ane ye friend rap culture say nipa dodo na say rap culture no era na ene dey me the abrante bi ba stage a obekire we say the atiame mo start ye no the Lord Kenya mo start ye no enyirai na mom oba bekire we say the ene obetimi aye no obeje this rap music is back. Ladies and gentlemen, Asante this year Bosoma
nane nyankopo kwa mi abo so ba safie nane nyankopo kwa mi abo nko bo owo mudin di ewo wo nyame mu nyankopo to to bo so ba de wo nye urade wo kunkuni twedi ampon yo do man koma.
was at the tram or tram. You are here for no matter the situation, you be a Cuba. After the cracking, save it to my old lady, as I see a doa, or say to Twaya Genetata, for which I never Prada, and one of those some family law for your pen cracker, American, something in the north of Fuguna Kentan, and Ataman in the Kentan, Krampa, a Ghana Tetia, when Ghana movie war, Yampo, the Ganga. I'm walking in the easy to stay so Ghana for one pa, and the man behind Ashanti first, fresh boy, the mightiness, then you doing that this is politics, hear your conscience first, before I end the speech, as was a case who might the net, I'm walking in the man of woman, won't pay way, and I won't pay day, I'm walking in the on that day. I have a winning, I'm what not tell you. Super. Listen. Nano bi mi kono kurom kwan so mi hia sempa kan ni bi o sa atade fita o se be kwan bonesta ndi wanim me se ndi wachi na de wose o ma won twadu no won twan kron da bi arada asem no she me so koko me start ibu I was kan me we da me nya ase zage me fie jadu e kwan ne so aye titiriti da bi yan intasem ma me ho afo ni tiri ma ye me bisi ya me we da me nyam pobium ente se da ya se bisa o se kosi we me ya bisa yes we sa no sa wo be de come de me to nyam se komi guitar then I was say yampa yes so ma kesi e crown ti she se be so abapa mama me fie me ensa wate ye na intasem ne ego so me intasem ma ya choro bebem the chosen son among the few ye na intasem ne ego so me intasem ma ya choro bebem the chosen son among she me se no to one na mo so ne chara me san ko me nim ono me te ye ni bi from afar wo se me ba be ko ye dum konim wo da sorry akai ne kan mate o mako na watamfo be do so da ye ne wo be ko cause e don many sand e was on takrache na se bibi ankoka papa woni ya enje trebe ni pa mama wonye yi me ka satara so mesi ensuo ne teria me bonya didi na na me na wo manka matara mo se mi nisa so mo se boso masama na ewra hu na de woti me muso me ye nipa ka se da che like a miracle ye na yinta sem ni ego so me yinta sem ma de ya chora bebem de chosen san na mo select ayenati Interfere, you be jamming. Ati ase, you be jamming. My ready some over jamming. My ready some over jamming. You could be say, if you hear my voice, baby, you go over to so run away. What I say, you come back. If you hear my voice, baby, you go. Cause we come in like Kosi Sirejata. Say what him in Kabi be with you. Select Ayananti. Everybody. So where you did, yeah, send me the sea. Let's see, die, the Muruni, Jumano, Plant a contract and you go come over here, you better know. Oh, farmer, what is on? No, just this time I don't know. This is just beginning as what in Keta was some Mabano. Ganga check his peace, you're rolling some people. Say, Brututa, I know what I with the for peace. So, man, I dare you, man, what you think, the only thing you know what to do with them. You be planning and plotting on a dream listing. Go, Monami, Kumbali, yourself, good, you're a day. 1, 2, 3, and 5. If you hear my private video, cause we can't be like us, this is the that. Say what you make, can't be this, you. Run away, tell me, Daddy, go. Run away, yeah, run away one night. 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 I want to change the story. And it's full of projects bigger like a Montessori. Oh, they didn't know me. Sanchez, baby, I'm say, I'm not a casa Kubra. I'm hungry. Try the God is okay. Let all that I had of shit to my dada. I'm the more party, you know, until you feel so. Yeah, that's what I said. I'm going to do the thing. With you, Perry, I am bomb by it. I'm a Bresica. Some to you, Jessica, one day. Greater day, come you, Jessica. Yes, I won't do you, Jessica, one day. Greater day, come you, Jessica. Yes, I won't do you, Jessica, one day. Greater day, Jessica. Yes, I won't do you, Jessica, one day. Greater day, come you, Jessica. Jesus, Uri, what am I where you be? Plenty enemies want to come and support me. What to moto, mojo, so they tell me what to do. And so me, I'm some no one. You mean I mean now. Walk us around from for so TV, you dance ramba. And the one come a Matima will be antemi. Many I can talk with so refer your pedada. And the vampire mambo, tell to you and you. Many days when you follow me, son of Pantamus, you may desire. Be afraid of come baby son. We say we are your good suffering and animal here afraid. Yes, I'm to be Jessica one day. You thought they come you be Jessica. Yes, I'm to be Jessica one day. You thought they come you be Jessica. Everybody. Go on. Hey. Just sometimes I want to hear them voices telling me what's on my baby. See the beard they on torso. Then cannot to win and Tony last one. I'm gonna tell me on the first one. Wondering why I'm misquoting myself who I'm not. But I've got to step on my front. The new be a woman tempting some at I'm glad that trace on. I've got to work on my songs. Let's feed it. Come and take it up. Saw something within the bed. You think it easy to feed us so far? Yes, I wonder. Hey, damn, I saw that yourself. Who know what drop it? Jump for town. Leave that day and now. My soul that yourself. Who know what drop it? And I guess you're jump for town. Boy, say leave that day and now. Yes, you know to an edge, mamma, one cast, you're telling me. Then I do have a way and a period who made any day to my bomb empire and I meet you. Your promise said you won't do my bomb empire, my million, as a fan of Betty. I will be doing this for days. And the farmer I had to pay. Then Jessica and Saturday, you don't be able to come. Hey, I'll be okay, but I'm a father to patience and I got married to grace, so I'm waiting for he. My soul that is self, no what drop it. Banga Cassia, they come for town with and can be any other for here with a mind, you must have on the voice to be at them. But we say that time, just want to carry over. Walking person, I brought in faith, and I told you a man is coming straight. I'll tell you, I said, what's your trouble? I did say, my son that is self, no, I drop it. Banga Cassia, they jump for town, boys, and leave a day. My son that is self. Selector, relaxing. Shay, if I send him where anyway, am I on a board doctor? Frank Amwako, anywhere that I come as a pa, young coffee. Young coffee. Anywhere that I come as a pa. Will be a pain, you are, and the Serena song. Some of my son were telling them about the tunnel. An anti selector. Faith. I'm going to sorry, I'm not going to Bible. I got somewhere you far away from the so arena. They gave me plenty seed and me and so you know who I am. Get them some of your damn say. Yeah, get them some of your damn say. Get them a damn say. No. I be out for Namana. That it didn't soon some Masana. The sorry, I'm not going to Bible. I got somewhere you far away from the so arena. They gave me plenty. Get them some of your damn say. Sumai, yeah, oh, my friend Sumai, do back on the Anaswa Pedasa. Because I did every time for me, I feel my pain, my time on also. Call upon Nanam via Minyamegunza. If I do that, I will be a customer for baby on Minapo. I call upon your grace. Man, what is faith? But I'm going to be by my voice on this one. I will tend it. The team is fresh to the Ampwe. That's a fresh reminder. That being a man, what's in your car, the road with Tobida.
Sorry, I'm not doing it by my vampire. I had some white far away, was no so arena. They gave me plenty, she was meeting. I mean, I was so real. I didn't know maybe any moment would I didn't do the pan. I need you, I need you. Oh,
Stop me, son.
I need you, oh, please.
I'm coming in too many events and people, but I boom. Or I continue to be any you more to food in a rascal. Then no one oneness, and just a minute you are better boom. The other mammy tempo days, I dare for them what you call some boom. Don't judge me, business, and I'm going to call me a person. Life is full of mistakes, go before you turn the arena. Piatra confine, Chelsea, Trami, Noyamfa. Share walk on and wire, and that's one can be a time. Oh, yes, I know my ways. One can't be a more comfort days. So life is full of gossips, know the truth and pray for grace. I say, Yatim Kamuya, need a soul of Mumubia. Missy Trente, I say, Yamuya. Yatim Kamuya, need a soul of Mumubia. Trente, I say, Yamuya.
say and then the last program I ever made, and then the climax of Ashanti Festival 2025. In between now and 2026, yes, there are some key sectors here that touch the system. I very single out the course of Mansa, everyone, Niagara, sports, sanitation, education, science and technology, the cultural festival, food festival, Jama festival, the health aspect, and the cultural the carnival to the boxing night, sports, the Fabric and the festival, the Boye festival, the back of the what the and then the blue. Yeah, President actress on one actress minimum every time or sure silence is not good that time you are not that time president and then also support here so far as the film industry within the region you're concerned. No, Obetima Boy and I want to be Yamoy and some Cassiama, a rare ahonfe, a year Kafui, Kafui. So you know, Sancho will be aha, that's a Kafui. And you may, you would be a waka, I was a meko, a year inevitable. Into me, Vienna Metanasi, Kakre, Binamo, whom ya. Kafu Ibejinam, Aha, Coprim said, Bibia, better talk, na Bibia baby. When him some moon streaming live, and I'll be following as the play show ni Bibia Ecoso. But when him say, and Jesus versus Judas, hey, Masay, I don't know. Aha, and you may call to her, Mijnay, Ampaya, Ebeja. It's your madam was say, just have fun, just, connect. Build a network whilst we are seated here, and then also support the team member Shroha Nababedi Jumano. Intimidate, you know. Yes, Ashanti Fest 2025. Yes, we are aha, Mekana, what the show am I menamidi? Ashanti Fest 2025. Ashanti Fest 2025. Yes, we are
the Dr. Franka Mwakuni, AJ, young boy and Semumano, young boy and Semman to meet you, Odi. And another is Sanka Obia Mahanka Bemwa. Santini said the last time I call Mensiano, Yera or 2 4 or say to Yamakasia Bakope, or Tunidi, a friend said Kofa by. Nessa, ono de Etitrua or more a change in the Bentena, or the Omaba Asante Mantemwa. Yes, sir, Ashanti Fest, I say, there has not been a single programmer, young Nipatitubia or free baby or adding, Wababe Kayon. Sabre, Dr. Ekasano, Oka 7 days once him. Onyankopon ebo wiase no or the 6 days na boy now on the 7th day or rest here it number 7 no ebe mu wo ho eya ne doba oso na ni a ode ne ma ye se ye ho beto ye no ana ye benya salvation no Judas e de anofie e na yi ne ma ye eti ba bia aduru no meto me nsa frɛ anwumtuni a okasa edi mienu we nyina abom se obeba no oba beti ye ni. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you 7 Ks.
Yo, what's up, my people? This is your boy 7 Ks. Wow, my BT, yeah. Charlie Adam Wanijana. We are Santinina, wow, my BT, yeah. DJ Yoko. Although you are Mekuma home at Sia. I would know na medi wachi ama misuma for katia ode wu ayawa me go ma home atia I would know na medi wachi misuma for katia DJ Yako hey Hey, 7 keys. Young Quay, what's it there? 7 keys. I am a sick one. See, I make a show the tea. Kasuko when you mention what in a man down here, Chene. The one you be a so. Menya home pene. Share, put your mouth on sa. Kwaku wakoda man fene. Mankind will be nothing crass so few. Young Quay, what's it there? Young Quay to Ayanda. It's managing your song one day. Share, you are not too free. And to be a best son. Young Quay to Ayanda. It's managing your song one day. You are not too free. Missy Wakuno, young Quay. You feel some secretary. For what you go pursue. When him try your strategy. Mawanika waminam share. Mawadian in your den. I am for one yabanko. DJ pull up. Charlie Wahana ya Santini Mapa. Mamiti yeah. What else here? Yeah, Asante for a higher free. You know, yes, Suma Santiago Pimsi Behu. Or say, Midimitia to so messy. Mantio, hey, a town for Mashiro, messy. Hey, you're no quantity positive. Missing a Kumania. Share, open the awesome, open the day, missing the other running. Hey, who don't know, Mama? Hey, I know coming. Missing Michelle when you run on the jokey. Who don't know Sumamena? Missy, you go clean your body. Missy, the hour pet down for Pia. Manitias, yeah. You don't need a fine. You know, be the Midimitia too.
Hey, don't answer a question.
It's one who's when you know, Papa. Hey, Papa, me the jam watch na young quite if you oh, yes, I do any poku go. Hey, so dear. I don't know about Coca, why there too. Jimmy Papa. Go. I want to go. Let me go. You come my dear for Papa. And there's a first share by the for the back. And I have a way no mamma and other than now, what upon my way. Come on, no.
I know you're my brother. That's him, man. You would come on. But once offer. That's him, I'm coming one for. Nothing, I'm say. Me for my answer. I'm a dominant.
Hey, I don't care. Where they didn't know answer. I want to.
Oh, no, dear. Give me how. Dear. Boko Jare. I'm a cousin. What do you say? In Sia, Woody Jare, get the Doomja. Now so, in Brady, but and Munny Benacania. Hey, I was it. Monge.
I don't care.
Monge. Mamma Kumpiuso. I dare you see. Appetite will come here. And Brady, but the basic die is your dance.
Hey! I don't care. Casado, Casa. Apa sah? Siapa?
Nyanam akan nameka.
Ono kwa. Another yang wo. Yang kwa.
Che.
Betul piame.
Nare misru.
Panye.
No.
Obawan.
No.
Panye ofisi eba na muse obedi se.
So me ban na who say who can to. Never be who can to. Oba bone.
Panye.
Oh.
Abuso.
Bidia friu, ochira kan sama mo.
Oh yeah.
Bidia friu, ochira kan sama mo.
Cheche.
Ye besia.
Didn't quade. Didn't quade a job of one in Payamido.
Take you.
Didn't quade. Piao. Didn't quade a job of one. Nimpayamido, Nasunatari, and two. Didn't quade. Aja.
Oh, wait, Mama. Right.
You play in a message in the crowd. Oh, okay.
Back is here. What's it? Back is here. I'm in Castle. What do you say? Nipa could be on one. Dear, we are saying. Omekesi. Omudina brand. Omudi empowers us with that. Nanya, Obom, Anon. Honestly, I can say. Nani emperor, we are said that. Oberon was it. She and Kabum to come. About wow.
Mirasi.
Now cry. Who's all the idea? I say one day.
No.
Would the idea?
Me, I will.
We didn't so. Would the idea? Would the idea? I'm from an Yansan.
Wasn't Hester.
What did don't she say? A mine.
Oh, mine.
Don't
you
money per mic? And maybe ba. What is mad with me do mine?
Hey, I don't care.
Yes, me back on an himself yesterday.
Yeah, wait a minute, Embrano. I was saying.
I am Munjino.
Who shall be able to answer? And you, I show you. Why? I'm a kind of fool.
Martin,
what are they?
You say, Kuman, you know, did you say, I'm a canning seminar and some quanins in Huno? No, sir, I'm a qua Ocasa, Nansa womb, and I'm a boy. I say, no, do. Only day. Maminko Putumo and Aminko Toswe. Didn't quade. A job of water by me. Manako.
A charming.
Pampa Wabe Samuel. Pampa Wabe Samuel. Abaya. Pampa Wabe Samuel.
How can you do it? Win a bebo.
Pampa Wabe Samuel. Pampa Wabe Samuel. Abaya. Pampa Wabe Samuel. Naminai Trabusian. Pampa Wabe Samuel. Hey. Pampa Wabe Samuel. Abaya. Pampa Wabe Samuel. Naminai Trabusian. Pampa Wabe Samuel. Pampa Wabe Samuel. Abaya. Pampa Wabe Samuel. Naminai Trabusian. I'm not quite ready to why yes, and I'm on my anchor.
Charlie, Anna,
Bema be a ben.
And Jeffrey, oh dear, the Piazza Mecacho, Saturday we are we. Why when you know of us? So what she want? Or say, would Sino, I know what dear.
Acha. Mihima. I'm over. Atiapena. Semesia. Unti. Uanya shui.
Yes, I know to me. I'm a day.
Where's it? Abrewa. Isino. You who be antisa. I want to be antisa. Now where you wait?
Hey, Jamal, now do you know my name? Eji player Papatia and the two camp jam. Now, what's more for him to modify for your show? Ah, I branch away all. Meeting any the other than I'm not. Companity, think on baby. asɛm no kora ma ho hwe me ka so me ka ne ketewa bi me nka ne kɛse ka ne kɛse ka ne ketewa bi edwaman adokoro mo edwaman
Therefore, bo. Anabra. Oboni muase. I'm afraid ye. Mra. Abusuafo. Ye nyina ye nim nentia. Ya be hye mu ahimfie ha. Eye odefo atiwade ba kwa okrom ha. No adasani bi akoye. Abrafo. Abratie. Odefo nim no aba no. Wo bibi ka. Nana. Minni ba sabi wo he nana. Minni mo he.
From for the many young can occur, but the four men are saying, maybe therefore, I say, Ponto Profitana, Brante waiting. I see me the many crutch, every see with the goose of part.
Hanako! I'm right here. South here. Nana, Park Town, Nana. I tell the crab, Nana. I'm right here. You did, therefore, what's Suma? May my former chairman. Muninamun said, I am me, Berima, Yabua Codier. I dare about one meeting with me, I say, and will be a what to mean Dimbraso. Pia! My summoner to Clodium. So, Obi Beer who finds a Bocrono. Now, Bocrono, answer out the Bocrono. You better if you are. Oh, Cassa! And now brewa and you must try. Can brand here for the wedding. How you come? A bravo. Munimajuma. Nensan, what everyone.
Nana, Abrimpon. Was this president and breed? Una to be a brimpon from. Nana, Abranti. Here, Abranti, one woman, dear Kuma. Anka Miss Ray. Anka, yeah, Jame, man, Casacofa. Miss Rowe. Like a fat in there, not only you.
And okay? Anna? The body present.
Not me.
A cabaco. Anaka? I come here and say, and some no more found when I am correct. Me, very my walk with you. Maintain the soul to form. Answer from a touch of my for the Biarada. What did it? Yeah! Therefore, body move. Therefore, pedal move. Therefore, pedal move. Next one. Now, won't you mind?
Obin Fera Nana say mommy. Obin Fera Nana say mommy. Nana say I dream my own one. Nana say I dream my own one. Eh, Konya me. Mabeku mama. Eh, Konya me.
Nana, Bafefe, Otom was here to say you. Yea, the metri the area. I tell the super from when they are two. Oh, my brother, boy, this oh, Nana, hey! Woman, I sing now, they want to go to Queen. Blah, being shaman through. Family! When you are singing, Nana, we are saying you day. A child, a child of Mama, a child.
Ana de bia me ka kiro. Nka bo me no ani ye. Nka bo me ani ye. Anu be boa wo. O bre won wase no. Wo su anka bo mo so aka mo. Oti. Nka se no timidirim.
Are you?
No, I'm left at home. Abrewa.
What's the name?
I
tell you, Shaki, William Bay, which are on him. Abriano, Cocosanquano, William.
am Panama.
I have to.
I have 3 dBA.
Which one you say? I'm coming. Yeah, a child. I did me to a no small pier about that. Ah, What was the Quabrani could attack you crab back with Chinese and then you said, ah, rather.
But I'm in a type of when I come to be me.
Minishiko. What's it up?
Hey! Menu ukrazem tuufo. Ejo bi abedia de nanuni. Na mami saw. Se dachi imanyima. Enu kra ye wasem e fa ho be. Hwe wan kasa ho. Kasa. Ojo bi ni ni.
Metafribi.
Where?
Metafribi.
What a friend. One another. Hey.
So you're next one.
Me, that's in my why do you name?
Obiani.
Can correct. Why do you name?
Obien
humo.
Obiani.
More time. Kaka utimi.
Obiani manoke.
Abriwe hui. Akasa no mai okuru me ohui.
Anoke obiani. Ose me den.
Hwe, na akoye no. Nana we ni saso mu. Otwa oti tema koma de yem. Oso ne ko mo hwe. No wabo adwaman paa so ewu. Wo da to pade ne be ko asamandu. Ko wabo ne ma no yem fikuru ma.
Tisi.
Ah, odi o wabo mpuni mpuda na.
Anatwi.
Ko wabo ne ma ne ko mo hwe.
So, Mamma me dofo a cha and ton creature.
Ah, I go in Yasrana. Ah, that's in your okay.
What's yamming? What's yamming? Many abri papa. Confrere that man and I'm for me, you know. And let's have rock concerning the premises. Yeah, therefore. Oh, in frame of my uncle.
No, you could see my best of you.
But they're from your mother. Abroan away.
Abroa.
Abroa kan mi ya daje kan ho konkwansan ka o di America ko di awie Abroa mabawa
Nana.
he we di jimi sa
The dame.
he abaya and me friend mo amani abriye papa nya gudie o kasa asam kese ya to me bere ma ye bo akode ye no ane say na me enya bia mo ya ntie say dachi ma wa afro na mo sama ba we anyway mo na da bia mo ne nam Then I'm going to fast no.
No. Can I not grab your name? Can
Abrewa.
Nana.
Who has him in a good sem? Then I'm going to fast no.
Or therefore. I think when me emergency come, the Biara. If you say I say me word to ye papa. Nana. Obeje di say. Abrantie bi wa hifie ha. Akwa bi wa hifie ha. Ono wa fa ase no e de da no pewia na dwumye no.
Abrewa. Abrewa me bone.
Therefore fa che me.
Abrewa. Answer me who here to be catch me. Wo dey go you be am na okwa hwe a. Come on che. Aga yen che.
Therefore ya say mo say na mo adu nana.
What's now my say ato me. Catch me. Abrantie na friend say.
Therefore me say come in kan ye. Therefore wadama e wo say. Abrafo.
Hey, me kunipa. Hey. Akwani mo fasina de na. Hey, mo ko frɛ o sai mra me se sia, mo fa de mra me.
Odefa jobre o.
Hey. Odefa jobre mo fasina de na.
Odefa jobre o. Hey. Odefa jobre o.
Kasa, fare. Kasa.
Osei wodwane.
Baba brafo no, mo fa de timra me se sia. Mo fa de timra me.
Odefa jobre o. Odefa jobre o. Odefa jobre o. Odefa jobre o.
Me kan chi. Mo to de. What's say?
Hey, what is it? Ay! Okay. I pray for you morning. Kiti kwa de piano wo me kon.
O de wo kon. O ta fina ni so de pia be wo. Na wo kra wo bo se kra na usu. Yem ne mane asra. O hwe me to. Ukuro ye nui.
Se ye tra odundue ya. Na chi. Ekuro nu wo.
Jaga kan ya.
Ai!
Wa! Hwe.
Dua.
Hwe. Na bo se me ku. Tie. Se nya de na ye no. Se ye do ukuro mu. Na nya nananum kan nyina bem. Na odi hinia. Din kan kuku na ye bo akode. Ese wo so mu obeku sei. Obeku ma na efese.
Hey! Hey! What you know? Where? Move free.
You free say. Who free?
I say, hey, Pedro. I'm okay. Na swear.
Ya nam fo. Na ui.
Me who ye? Hey, nana no me adamu ase.
Wo samai a. Wo de.
Me nya samai.
Minim ne ha wo.
Me ye nipa.
Na wo yan kase yan koku.
Obran na nana kase okoku me no. Ma ye ne papa pen. Me do another room. Eno jam na me je sa. Eni akura ya se o.
Sentra.
Hey. Na unim. Sa o say dia di o.
Me bi dia de ben, nka no kro.
Me ba akura ya se no. O say wo fa ka baby. Ye nyo bia mani ni akonwa.
On kire mu.
Ya bode wuro say wo be hu o say ene na ba no. Na nanu wa tede kesiye de mo.
Oh, a tede ni nie.
O say me sraw me ye die. Ma me ko. Ye na nanu ma ye yo. Bi ye diabo.
Sre wai sre. Na odi.
Hey, asemo. Hey, asemo. Na sai ni lu duru baby pa ni pokra one ni bedi akrokra wi ne bibiem. Hey. E be se an ma fia no ke wo. We are no ke ha. Anka sa ye nwie. Sama kro. Ni o ye. Oni anoke ne kwe no kro. Emra wo sei edwane ye emu hwa ne enhu anoke biem. Na sanka sa mre so de nka mbetimi asen abawo. Nyensen a wo sei nyensen ye chen yi. Omo ba omo ni se se won di ade. na oba nso de oba de kuma na yi Debbie na nso se say so de wiase no asesa wo kuhwini bia yese na de ade sane sai hunti we ya oni si yese manu asemi makoboso mamenko no manu ameyi meka wo kurum ha yeah next
Oza kunkun.
Mami ndi me nyine.
Monhwe.
Anoke.
Ana. Si akwa de ohini.
Mirasi. Anoke. Mino nanti ya che. Mfie bebre ni. Eye won kire pa. Eni wafutu. Ana mamme. Berima. My said, so what you say? Kasa will catch them. Me so. If it's a witch, you say, pray, say we bakwa. A book name say, Okabuma, and yet a Muda, Debida. And no tin I may boab him from a train when I see. Say, young come bomb, lay go to Quadia Sosa. Landing Kunim. Nanso, and Chromiansa. Falkro Chiboja. Ana crosswa almost okunu omungu
nana tie ntwa no sakuro yi kura omne nana ye bo a kode e wa apam enye ne abeka na ometi naso ye se du imreli ni nyana nanu maka na bebem ababa wana osman no wana mkwan so ba
wache
Nana kwada. Therefore.
Meme.
Therefore. Ya tiare sa wo sumame. Na wo twini. Me kodru kromo no. Me de maso to fam. E de me hu fra kroma no. Na ne tiare se. E na ye bo akode. Na wo wo.
Kode wu.
Therefore, wa to. Na ne tiare se. Ne nana ne dia de sisi a.
To boazi na ko mbebu ko ye bebu.
Ano kamate. Na therefore. Me tsane nana. E na ye bo akode. Ne wa fa se cha. E papa ri ma ne dia de sisi a.
E cha.
Nana pachoane.
E cha ma no yesen.
Omo se ba ko pe, kroma ne se ba ko pe. Ba ko pe na wo no. Ba ko.
Ba ko pe.
Pachoane. Na enu kura nana. Na no mo chire mu a oni agya o, wanya gya.
Sa. Obetimi akọ.
Anuka me dwan no.
Who dwan dey dey make dwan me.
O therefore say kwa o me dwan.
Mate me ko.
Anuka. Bemi. Asem no kan oti.
Minim na abeka. Say yo ba.
Wo ye me ba.
Ane. Nanka den.
Etimi ndu osana ndim na mfa sika nkotum beminim.
Na wabwabwa ahemfu no ano no. Ka pese ye de nsi a.
O say. O say ti semi. One okay. Me di wasmachi e ba ha. Me hwe me dofo acha.
Enye masem na odi ekire na nanu masem na odi ekire.
Anoke.
Wo betumi no. Na aka so be fa ntototo ana.
Se 2 minutes me hwe me dofo. E sa hwe me banka ho. Wo ba se sen.
O say. Eti wase. Ni be ni. Okunu ngodu. Ti na meka no. Bansa no mo hwe.
Kasa mitie.
Ti. Untimi nko. Enko ka wa mu jengo. Ye ko enso ni edi nkugu a. Uba entimi tini ebeni. Abrafo.
Adam my tiu.
Uni kayeba.
Ye ni abre ko. Ye ni abre ko. Ye ni abre ko. Ye ni abre ko.
Nana kubuase. Nana.
Anoke.
Ben hwan na biti nasa. Ben hwan na biti nasa. Bese to buase. Nyana na maka bebem. Nyamutre.
Anoke. Ibaho. Iba.
Enunti na hindi we. Esa wo mo ni bre wo ho. Esa wo ni bre wa hindi we ho. To passe. Ni be dia.
Yari at denne. Jonasi.
Piao. Therefore, Adam, I'm smile. Nana, no madaruma. And you are carrying for Adaruma.
What do you na nana what did you buy na?
You didn't do as you are Jahono. And you charity.
What charity?
The charity I'm a command in the
When you charity no?
Kaminam charity.
Why are they?
Shuffling ko. Say no be brains. Hey! Nana. Tie. Tina make a Anoke.
Yeah, ko. Ako wa kwenya na. Tie.
Anoke.
Tie me.
Anoke me tie wo. Ncha me dofo cha hoti wachi.
Me kan ye be ba.
Anoke. 2 minutes. Abofra ye wonu po eja. Metman fa me ba atun kuku.
Enu na ese kire se ahinde wenya ahindia. Ese uma ufa no. Bibi. Se ne open no. Tumi wo we. Obetumia. Awa for the boy say obo asewunya.
Lawyer Osborn.
Some catch us oba be wu a. Aka ni metima.
You can call me Lawyer Osborn. You can call me Lawyer Dennis.
Se ne wetimi ahwe oba. Awa ahinde we won. Emo bi biara emba wo ene ahinde we ntem da.
Anoke.
No, sir, no.
Anoke. Anoke. What is my bro? Anoke, what is my brother? Anoke.
Mindi wa bro. Listen. Oh, man. Listen.
Nakramento. Sa. Say my honor. Your honor.
2.
Or yentem. Etimato mensa afre waxi 100 billion. Now we're joining Earth Dreams Entertainment. So that is the board chairman of Earth Dreams Entertainment. Now me and Midi Jumadi and Wachi me so na me Earth Dreams Entertainment CEO. And together you better keep a bow for Munina. All right, so on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Another lawyers bebre na be pie mu ha. Lawyers na be pie mu ha no. Akukudam. Lawyers ni bi ya tenten. Ebi nso de no ye foforo. Lawyers ni bi abo. Ebi nso atwa sakora. Another ubenya lawyer ta ewo dem ha. Na answer na amoma no. DJ you betimi enya enwem kakra na ye dey cool it down. Abra train your lawyers.
You're welcome to the world of virality. Number one.
Baby, I agree. I have the singular, said the greatest judge who has ever lived. May introduce now only the team from a year Baku Okroma, team Baku Okroma, a year Kejetia, and a Baku's one Cramantem, a year Makola, Afe, Kumawood All Stars. It's a brother agree. Matomensa, Ede Afre, a year Kejetia versus Makola and Kumawood All Stars.
You can go in now. Yeah.
International.
Mary Wayne. You ever see Anna? Montana, your mom and Mike. And you other side on me back.
Anyway. I said you over boy be.
Cheche Kunyo.
You're fine. You're fine. Yeah.
The man of the moment, the only judge who is wiser than King Solomon, his lordship, my father, my lord, Judge Louis Lamis.
You can take your seats.
Let's see what you have for me. Let's read today's case.
Hear ye, hear ye. This is the High Court of Celestial Justice, Kejetia branch, where the spiritual meets the judicial and the holy faces cross-examination. Today's case before this most honorable court is Judas Iscariot, former disciple, treasurer, alleged betrayer, vessel of destiny, versus Jesus the Christ, Son of God, Savior of the world, miracle worker. Case number 30 PC Gold 001. Judas Iscariot, the plaintiff, is suing Jesus Christ for the following: breach of prophetic contracts, selective forgiveness, and emotional neglect. The plaintiff shall be demanding 1. A throne of honor at the right side of Jesus. 2. His name to be dignified and used for naming children like other apostles. 3. A full Bible re-edict highlighting his honorable deeds. 4. Authorization to write and publish the gospel according to Judas. 5. Compensation sum of 30 million gold coins. 6. A public apology and clearing of name by Jesus and the angelic host. The court calls upon all heavens and earth, saints and sinners, to witness this historic case. All phones on silencing moody. Put your phones on silence. The Honorable Court, Judge Louise Lamise shall now preside.
Okay. I believe everybody can hear me. So how do you hear to say no? Amen. Good. Now I can hear myself. All right, counsel.
Your Honor, how are you and the family and everybody in the family doing?
Everybody is fine. You have a case.
We have a very, very, very good case, Your Honor.
And you are sure you will win?
Your Honor, this case, I don't see it as a case. I see that this one is a children that they have go to play a play somewhere. Okay. So we win this one hands down.
Okay.
But Your Honor, before I go on, I am privileged to announce to you one learned colleague that I have also invited him to come and help me in this case. Your Honor, this colleague that I talk about, he is very, very learned. He go to Mexico, he go to Papua New Guinea, he go to Amsterdam, he go to Australia, and then today he said that they send him to Pluto. He go study something. Pluto? He go Pluto. Out of Earth. Yeah, he's a learned, they get case at Pluto. The master people. So they call him, you go chop the case, he come back to Earth. That's why I bring him today to come and help me. Your Honor, with your permission, help me call my learned colleague. His degree that he have in law is KNUST, KMA, DVLA.
Counsel. And these are all titles.
Yeah.
Degrees.
He has learned KUST. He has learned KMA. He has learned DVLA. Not a small lawyer that I'm bringing here. But if he come, you see that this guy, he really, really learned.
Okay.
Your Honor, with your permission, help me call my learned colleague, lawyer KKK Checheku.
All right. Where is he? Quickly.
Your Honor, he's coming. I call him.
Yes, sir.
All right. Your Honor, with your permission, I let him tell you something about himself, herself assistant here.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor, for this wonderful opportunity. I really appreciate. I like your chamber.
Hey, counsel. Say something about yourself and sit down.
Please come again.
Say something about yourself and sit down.
Something. No, one.
I say some, but I don't finish. So you finish for me.
Oh, okay. I will chase him for Pluto to buy.
Yeah, I tell him about Pluto.
Okay.
But maybe you tell him about the mass and
the
other
mass
players.
and so many of. Honorable, sorry, sir. Your Honor, thank you for the opportunity. I really appreciate it. Please, my name is what's that?
I say that you study KMA, KNUST, DVLA, so then you finish
Thank
everything.
you. My name is lawyer KKK Chichiku from Pluto, the next planet. I've been working as a lawyer for so many years, different countries. When you talk of Afghanistan, Jamaica, Canada,
It's okay.
Europe, Germany, France, so many countries.
Okay.
Your Honor, this man is not a small man.
Yeah.
Before Confanochi command the Golden Stool, he was there.
Yeah. Who say hey? Were you there?
I asked you to tell us your case, and you introduce him. Can you tell us the case now?
Your Honor, I go on.
Your Honor. Your Honor, in the spirit of introducing fellow colleagues, I would like to take this opportunity to also introduce my colleague lawyers, so that they will be here, they will hear the case from the beginning.
Carry on.
Very good. Your Honor, the first person that I am bringing out is a very learned lawyer. He did his LLB, that is the bachelor's degree, in Cambridge University in the United Kingdom. He did his LLM in Harvard in USA. And then he did his PhD in law in Yuajin University in China.
Can you just introduce him now so we can have the case?
Your Honor, why are you being biased?
I'm not being biased. We don't have time.
When somebody was introducing somebody who has learned KNUSC, DVLA, whatever, you watched him introduce.
Please. Your client. Your colleague.
Yes, the first colleague I'm calling out. His name, a man who has stature. A man. Your Honor, his name is Akranchi Adedefe.
Akranchi Adedefe.
No. His name is Akranchi Adedefe.
Call him.
Your Honor, the lawyer, why he walk like that?
How does he walk?
He look like somebody who can be wicked.
All right.
My Lord, I hope my learned friend has introduced me.
Yes.
My name is Lawyer Kwachi Adedefe.
Okay.
I have been in this job for so many years.
Okay.
In America,
Okay.
Asia, you name it.
Okay. I'll name it.
And I am understand the law.
Okay.
That's why I'm here.
Thank you very
So
much.
I'm going to defend my case here.
Thank you. God bless you. You can
Amen.
sit now.
Just now you say I should sit now.
Yeah.
What have I done to you?
We are still with the introduction. We have not gone to the case. Sit so we can make progress.
Don't shout on me, please.
Please, be quick. Be quick.
Your Honor, when he walked in, you heard sound effects from this side. He's a very thick, tall man with a lot of... Your Honor, the next person I am introducing
because of the nature of this case, I had to bring somebody all the way from the kingdom of God. From heaven itself. Your Honor, when you go to heaven, there are 4 living beasts. And then there are 24 elders. The next person I'm calling, he's the head of the 24 elders in heaven. Yes. When the 4 beasts are misbehaving, he's the one who disciplines them.
Introduce.
Very good. His name is Lawyer Akutajini.
Okay.
Lawyer Akutajini.
Please, where is he? Join us quickly.
Can you introduce?
Okay. Okay. All right. Counsel Inkutojene.
Objection, Your Honor. That is not what I said. I said his name. Marlene, please introduce yourself.
My Honor. Hold it, everybody. Let's hear him. He says I have his name wrong. Please, your name once again.
Thank you, my honor. My name is Lawyer Inkutajine. You can call me Lawyer Dennis.
Okay, the first thing is Lawyer Inkutajine, Lawyer Dennis. You cannot dress like this in my court. This is...
Objection, my lord.
Yes.
You cannot disgrace my court-learned friend.
I have...
Listen to me, my lord. This is the type of dressing that he has used for so many years.
Yeah.
So, in having...
Yeah, this is how they dress. But in my court, you have to tuck in now.
My honor.
Yeah.
We court or only you court?
Only me court. Only me court tucking.
Accepted.
Listen.
Okay, so I can hear your case now as he tucks in.
Your Honor, before I go on this case, I want to quote a book that was written. The title of this book is Song and Garden of Birds. Your Honor, I quote from page 1 to page 500.
Hey! No.
Your Honor, I don't quote again. My learned colleague said I put it down.
Good.
Like I quote the whole book before we start, but Your Honor, our elders say that
yes.
Drink. But I say it depends on the alcohol that you drink. Your Honor, if you drink whiskey, good alcohol, that one you can think. But if you drink a boost, you don't talk any sense. Your Honor, this is a case of emotional neglect, abuse, and breach of agreement and trust.
My honor, we are here to talk the case. We're not here to talk alcohol.
Your Honor, nobody talk alcohol. I give a premise to the whole case.
I believe it's just an example. It's just an analogy.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, my client here, his name is Judas Iscariot.
Judas is Calot. We'll take it like that.
Yeah. So I have with me here Judas Iscariot, and then another beautiful woman. That one I introduce later to the court for you to speak. Your Honor, why we are here? This man here is a very good disciple of Jesus Christ, the man who sits over there. Your Honor, he picked him. He said that, come and be my disciple. He follow him everywhere you go. Galilee, he follow. He go to Judea, he say, I'm here. He go to Bethlehem, he follow him everywhere. Your Honor, he lead my client on. He said that somebody will betray me. My client said that everybody asked. Peter asked, he said, Jesus, it's me. He said, no. He said, this one. Then he alone, he asked, he said that, go and do what you want to do. Your Honor, he to go and do what he want to do. Now, he can betray you. The prophecy that God talked, it has come inside. Through Judas, the prophecy has come inside that Jesus Christ has been killed and then he will resurrect to save people. After that, everybody see my client here as a wicked man.
How?
Nobody want to name their children after Judas Iscariot. Why?
How?
Your Honor, they write Bible. Matthew have a quotation. He have a book. He alone, he don't have any book in the Bible. Your Honor,
using him.
After using him, he dump him somewhere. He throw him somewhere. Your Honor, if he has come here, it is simple. He is playing with the court. That the court should make him force Jesus Christ to go and put his name in the Bible. Also, let him have a seat in the right hand side of Father in heaven. And also make sure that every parent that is in the world right now, they can name their children and call them Judas Iscariot. Your Honor, he also want to force the court to force him to give him 300 million gold coins. That one, if it is Galamsey that they will go and do, I don't care. They should give him that money so that his heart will fall his heart inside. Thank you.
All right, thank you. You have anything to add? You okay?
Yeah, Your Honor, you have something to
Your Honor, it's a very fine case. How can you use somebody to gain your property and after you destroy the person's name?
You destroy the person's name.
You destroy the person's name. You destroy my client's name. Because you, Jesus Christ, how can you use Judas? Everywhere you go, everywhere you carry money, every praises. But after you pronounce Judas' name to the public, that Judas is a very wicked man for betraying you. All but you know that God called you to come for Judas to betray you. So you already know. So why are you destroying Judas' name? Your Honor, that's my final way.
Okay, interesting. Your opening defense?
Your Honor, it is indeed very interesting. Your Honor, before I go on, a wise man wrote a song and it says, Na Peter see Eyemiana. Na John see Eyemiana. Na Judas see Eyemiana. Na Yesu see Waka. Your Honor, Jesus did not ask anybody to go and do anything.
Objection, Your Honor, you can't tell me that. How can you tell me that? Whilst you, Jesus, you know already that you are coming for my client. Your Honor,
objection, my
Lord.
Case. Objection, my Lord.
Yes.
When you are talking, my little friend was keep quiet. Why are you interrupting his talking?
Okay, all right. So let's allow people to speak, especially now that they are opening.
Yes, sir.
So let them open their defense, and later we can do the cross-examination.
So let me warn him. This is your last warning.
No, you can't warn people in my court. That is for me to do. Okay?
Then warn him for me.
Okay, later. Sit. All right.
Your Honor, our opening defense is in...
Wait. Okay, carry on quickly, please.
Your Honor, our opening for the defense is in 4 simple statements, and the statements are in Latin. I'm sure you are very familiar with these. The first one says, "Volenti non fit injuria,"
which means what?
It means no injury is done to a willing person. The second one, it says that acta non verba, which means deeds, not words. So even if Jesus said, go and do what you want to do, or go and do what you are planning to do, he did not tell you to go and betray him. He said what you are planning. So whatever was in your head, nobody put it there. Number 3 says, causa proxima non remota spectatur. Which means the proximate cause, not the remote cause. So if you are holding a gun and you shoot somebody, you will be arrested. You can't tell me that somebody in the house told you to kill the person, especially if you cannot prove it.
So your opening defense.
Your Honor, the last one.
No, just tell us, what is your defense in this case?
Your Honor, you can't cut it short.
I can cut it short.
It will not make sense.
Counsel, we don't have all day. What?
Your Honor, if you had not interrupted me a couple of times, I would have finished by now.
Finish it.
Thank you very much. The 4th one says, qui peccat ipse pectatum habet, which means he who sins himself has the sin.
All right.
You understand?
Okay.
Judas was not forced to do anything that he did, and so he cannot put the blame on somebody.
Okay.
Jesus did not ask anybody to name their child after anybody. They look at you and say, Your Honor, Judge Aloisi Alamisi.
My name is not Aloisi Alamisi. As a matter of fact, don't mention my name.
My honor.
Yes.
He can mention your name. Why? Because you are the judge.
Yes, so that is why I have a title. You can use the title. You can address me as your...
And so for Judas to come and sit here and ask that Jesus should give him good name so that people will start naming, excuse me, what is the name of Bob Santos' best friend?
Okay, all right.
Your Honor, after Bob Santos' best friend, how many people do you know you call Judas?
That question is to me.
I want to ask
my honor, this case, we just waste your time.
Lawyer,
it's not good.
Lawyer, wait, lawyer. Well, minimum law school, my uncle law school, I share baby other, and a minimum baby other, minimum law school. The patrol, me and solve case in the patrol.
Objection, my lord.
Yes.
This learned friend, he's betraying my co-lawyer.
On TV.
He's disgracing him. Why?
Wow, how is he
disgracing? Objection, Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
My lord.
Okay, enough. Let's call our witnesses. Your first witness.
Oh,
Your Honor.
Wait. What is it?
We are disturbing our members of this court because this case doesn't hold water.
Okay, it doesn't hold water.
No. So we have decided and then...
I should decide it and let you go.
Oui.
That's not how things are done.
Oui.
Okay. Oui. All right, counsel.
Yeah, Your Honor, we want to call our first witness inside the box.
Okay.
Your Honor, I want to take this privilege to call Judas Iscariot baby mama inside the box.
Judas Iscariot's baby mama.
Yeah. His mother is here. Your Honor, if he's baby, this is mother, he's not baby mama.
My Honor,
Yes.
the woman started cursing.
Objection, Your Honor. We have a proverb that if you think you are here to speak about the truth, why are you fear curse? Keep quiet, my Honor.
Your Honor, let me also state clearly where I come from.
Counsel.
Your Honor, if people have started cursing, we can all refer. All I need to do is send a text message back home and everything will be sorted.
Okay, all right.
Your Honor, I go ahead.
Yes.
I don't do math. I don't talk anyhow, just like that. Your Honor, I pose 3 questions to my beautiful client over here. Judas Iscariot's baby mama, how are you?
She's not the baby mama.
Judas Iscariot's baby mama. If he is the baby and this is the mother, it's not the baby.
Is she a baby sitting there?
My Honor, I told you, we're just wasting your time.
I'm beginning to believe that.
Your Honor, I don't. Okay, fine. Judas Iscariot's mother, how are you? Tell the court how you are feeling.
I'm fine.
You are fine.
Yes.
Tell the court.
Wait. Judas' mother. Judas' mother.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Teresa Konto, sir.
You are the what?
Teresa Konto.
Yeah. Madam Dinah Kunto.
Teresa Kunto.
His name is Teresa Dinah Kunto.
Okay.
The middle name as Dinah, but you don't.
All right, no problem.
Madam Kunto. How old was your daughter when Jesus Christ take him away? Tell the court.
She has a daughter.
The daughter is sitting there.
And your daughter, where's Jimmy Anna? This is my son. My son.
Sorry. I'm sorry, Madam Kunto. Forgive me.
Order in court.
Tell the court. How old is him when him take him away?
My comment is I say, Mintina man school, I mean to make Campbell focusing. Michelle see womb, Nami won't fear to Numana Medenium.
And yes, I know Obusa say, Obana no didn't fear saying, and I Odi.
He chop how much before Jesus.
I used to know what the one about fan. Now, crowd or Bessie. They're 22.
How 22 years.
My Honor, I told you this case. We just wasted your time.
Why you do this?
Why me?
If you do, we fight here.
Objection.
We fight here.
Objection. I know your honorable court does not allow violence. Nobody can come and stand in front of me and flap their wings and come and tell me you will fight.
My Honor, are you
what I hate is nonsense. What I hate. I had your hair. I had your hair.
Order.
Who is he?
It's okay. It's okay.
He said, you know that this one you call it wings.
Objection, my lord. Objection, my lord.
Yes.
I want to warn this learned friend. But if he's try in the outside, I will use pepper spray.
Your Honor.
Edward.
Okay. Please.
I go. I don't want anybody to.
Just your questions.
Let me go.
Allow. Do not interrupt. Let him do the
questions. It's a frustration that they are doing. I won't mind anybody. Your Honor, let him put to the court that this guy here, he was 22 years when Jesus Christ take him and he take his life away from him.
Objection, Your Honor.
Why you allow people
He's interrupting my lawyer. Why are you interrupting?
Why?
No, wait. You can't say...
Why for why? Why for why?
You're asking why. Why for why?
Order. Why?
You can't say he took his life away. That means he killed him.
Fine. I'm sorry. I did. When did he waste his time? He wastes his time. I don't want to waste time.
Jesus wasted his time.
He wastes this man's time. If he don't waste his time, like by this time, he have a book in the Bible. And these people call their children Judas Iscariot. Somebody child is going. He said, Judas, hey, come here. But nobody call their children Judas. He don't have a name in heaven. Why? That's why he wastes his time. You know, I prove to the court why he wastes his time. Madam Kuta, tell the court. Every mother gives birth to a child. They want their child to be with them. They take care of them. Your child, he take care of you.
Why? Some Jesus here what you ever found. Carry my son small picking 22 carry and go. I only be able to what this one.
Your Honor, let him put to the court that every mother is playing in this world. That I give birth to a child, the child also grow and take care of me. But from nowhere, at the age of 22 years, Jesus Christ, he can't take him away. Honestly. Look at the woman. Right now, he's up around 85 years. He never see the child until right now.
So,
Final.
What is your age?
My papa, be 70.
Okay.
Your Honor, he said he's up around 70 years.
70.
Why? Why is it nobody likes 70? You know some people here also loves old women.
I'm sorry.
I know your sugar daddy.
Yes. Your Honor, I will have to agree with my learned colleague here.
We know you.
You cannot say nobody likes 70. For all you know, I might like her. You never know.
It's
a hypothetical situation.
Yeah.
The animal coffee and then what time? What time and then my band? Only I'm a fast so I'm a baby now.
Your Honor, I just said I might like her. Does she understand English?
But why might you like?
Your Honor,
if you talk, I'm here. Me talk back.
Your Honor, I think this lawyer is this.
Let it come.
Say it in key.
Say it.
Or her, the client.
Yeah. Final. Madam Kunta, you have any grandchildren from him? Any grandchild?
No.
Yeah, I want to put it to this court. That every mother, when he born, he prayed to God that my child will grow, give birth, then I also get my grandchildren that I play with.
Yeah.
But because Jesus Christ took Judas Iscariot away, he never give birth. So right now, this woman, he don't have any grand woman being. Thank you, Your Honor.
Lawyer, try and crack. Master, no, what trying to Bofunintin number for Manning to almost say. Some man, I friend Jesus.
Tell the court.
Madam, my backward school on my accountant.
Okay.
Now that you won't measure me. And I over far, Colani didn't do what you didn't know what we are so preaching what they're preaching. Won't him in talk, Madame, I won't know. What's happening? I want him to
objection, Your Honor.
Ubet me can was sem na cheche. Men dear tem. Why?
Oh, Your Honor, you don't insult me.
What's that?
Yes, man, inside fleeted.
Your Honor, even before we come, I beg you to calm down. Like you yourself, you collect your own. Madam Kuto, calm down, okay? What he said to the court is that the Jesus Christ here.
Counsel, we all heard what she said.
You hear?
Yeah.
You're okay?
Bye.
Okay. My colleague, you get something?
Objection, my lord.
Wait, to what?
Your Honor, please.
To what?
Can I go to the box and exam?
No, not yet. Let them finish.
Your Honor, it's my time.
It's not your time.
You that.
In fact,
What do you say come back
to be biased?
Me pa church now. Je me bag ni see me ba no no so me nyini ni. Ubo wan no awia.
O ma me fan bag ni see.
Fancy baby.
I keep it for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes.
It's a thief family.
It's a thief
family.
Okay.
The woman don't believe the daughter. Why you crom for papa.
Why you turn to tree? You talk English by a came not a tree.
Oh, me whom say we a lawyer.
Who lawyer?
Me whom say we a lawyer.
Lawyers who be able to die. I promise on my life.
So my honor,
yeah.
She put on finger on me. It's a threat.
Great threat. And this again.
You don't use your left. You don't even use your left. And don't point. You don't have to do that. You have questions? You have questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ask your questions.
I have a small question for my client. Your Honor, There's a proverb.
Yes.
In Ashanti Kingdom.
Yes.
That is why.
Say it.
Okay, thank you. I wanted to add Ashanti Festival.
Add it.
That is why we are Ashanti Festival. Your Honor, there is a proverb. And in the proverb, they say, Pentias I say, and Nahokwa. A plot of land is not laid down by just anyhow. And I want to ask my account. Did Jesus, this man, you came to my country?
My honor, it's a threat.
Oh, it's not a threat. He's only pointing.
He is putting his finger on Jesus Christ.
Your honor, this man they wear lumi, but no threat. You see your necklace. It's a lumi you can use to shoot somebody.
Are you insulting me?
I'm not
Okay,
insulting.
all right.
In a court of
Order.
I will meet you outside.
Order.
Your honor, I want to ask this man, Jesus Christ. Did he come?
You can't ask Jesus Christ. It is.
I come.
Teresa Konto.
Your honor, I come now.
I come.
I come.
Judas's mother is in the box.
Yeah.
Ask her, not Jesus.
Okay. But your honor, Jesus is there.
Oh, goodness.
Okay. So, did you go to my kind mother?
Don't ask Jesus. Ask her.
I'm sorry. I want to ask my kind. Did Jesus Christ come to you to ask for your daughter in the working?
One day, one. Who baby Sam? Offer now. Casey, there, we are not broke now. Offer me, Anna. Offer now, I didn't quite a man when you be one baby Sam. No permission.
Your honor, you see, offer be this year just like that. And I didn't know. And I will destroy any panel life. We are say anything.
My honor, one friend say Omedinachi, one Chechireno, one mono, a took us a wafa obi this year. Something like he take obi this year.
Your honor, as I'm come to
Akim.
My last question.
Yeah.
Your honor, did you pay your daughter for the following?
Me don't have me say capreba. My way, my bita.
Yes.
Why fucking papa?
Just like that.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Yes.
Objection, my lord.
No, it's not an objection. Now you can.
Can I go to the box?
Yes. Yes.
My lord friend, please let me come.
One year.
My honor.
Yes.
In the first place,
Yes.
I want to disperse the meaning of law.
Huh?
I want to disperse the meaning of law.
You want to define the meaning of law?
In my own language.
Okay, we are here.
So this woman came here. The law is lie and win. So he's coming to lie and win. What is that true? Is he coming to lie and win?
Lie away
and win.
Lie and win.
It means Ocha.
That's the meaning of law.
That's my understanding.
Lie and
win.
Win. L-A-W.
That's law. Okay. My first question, my lord.
Ask.
Baby mama, please, can you tell the court which day did you get pregnant?
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection overruled.
Honor, you see, we won the case.
Wait.
So, when there is an objection, I'm the only one who can overrule or sustain.
I'm so sorry, Your Honor.
What is your objection?
Tell Your Honor why you object.
Your Honor, this man is trying to create a problem right now.
Saying.
Because how do you ask my client about the pregnant day? How can somebody know a pregnant day?
How?
My Honor, objection.
Yeah.
Argentina wa ba unim data or the womb.
Wam kasa da or the womb no. Da or the
Enti onche. Eja say ena me nyem me ba no. Eja say ena me wo no wa ntimi anka. Sesi a wo say bisa wo say which date you pregnant your daughter?
Ask. Yes, I'm waiting for the answer.
Ofani mo ya na yesi enu no. Ya anywhere no busum minima na me hu se me
Which date?
Your Honor, you can't shout on my client. Why are you shouting on my client?
Order. This is my job. So I can do whatever I can.
Hey. Massa, you can't do whatever you can.
Sorry.
You have one last question. Let's go.
One last one.
You know you are cheating me.
Yes, I'm cheating you. One last question.
Baby daughter.
And the question must be sensible.
Your Honor, in fact, you are intimidating me.
Yes.
Can you tell the court, the honorable court, that which date did you get son? Which date did you birth your son? Oh no.
Adame won. Okay.
Which date did you give birth to your
Your
son?
Honor, I want to put it across that this woman he forget date. The time they don't write date. They do event.
But she remember the day you born her.
Menopause comes the woman.
Yes, thank you. Yes. I believe you are done. You don't know the dates.
I know.
Tell us.
Hey, we don't know. You say you know. Hey. Sign.
Objection, my lord.
Okay.
Objection, my lord.
Do you know the date? Do you know the date?
What's a man sign to my sign?
Objection, my
Also
lord.
date, no?
Look at the client.
Also on him date, no?
She is disturbing the court.
Your Honor, he don't know. He don't know.
Okay, order. All right, so let's have the next. Your colleague ask. Do you have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Quickly, please.
Please, I'm coming. Your Honor, be careful.
Order. Counsel.
You are
order.
He is doing bias. Why?
It's okay.
I have 70 questions and he asked me just 3.
You have 70 questions?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I go on?
Next week, you come and
I
continue.
will forget it.
Write it down. Next week.
My Honor,
yes.
Not just say who put you down.
Me put you down.
Yes.
My Honor, the woman you need not just so much for. Mammy, one papa Judas, almost say, is it the same? Not the same.
Look at the color.
Look at the color. And look at the bald head. And look at the old one.
Lawyer, come on in and say, me want to know you need to say. Yes, why any tea bread, the Bafano Conan and Mary Asono. And I'm a Palana share to my India bosom.
Objection, Your Honor.
He born this man. Now he be fair like him.
Yeah.
But he walked with him on the desert Galilee. The sun beat him. He turned blood. Then you come and talk about the head. The head he can win out of you.
Okay.
In fact,
Your Honor, I think
No more.
It's a proverb. It's a proverb.
No proverbs.
A proverb. My client is a rare definition of one kasawutiri one.
Yeah, you are you born.
And this man is trying to pick on my client's head. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Counsel, your questions.
Yeah, Your Honor.
My Honor.
Oh no.
Time I all cast away, no, Jina.
Why is he why?
Or say, Yesu enema nitiri ho ayesa. Wo sa tam no na wo.
One can say yes.
Your Honor, this man is not a lawyer.
Your Honor, what?
This man is not a
Order,
lawyer.
counsel.
Your Honor, you are frustrated.
Yeah.
This is just the beginning. By the time we get the middle, you get blood pressure. You.
Objection, my lord. My lord. You are breaching the
Order.
You are breaching the law.
1 minute silence.
Before you came.
1 minute silence.
Counsel, order.
Hey.
My lord, did you understand the order? You are ordering something from abroad to Ghana.
Order.
Your Honor, why your side chick? Why you cry?
My what?
Your side chick.
The side chick.
He sit beside your side. It's your side chick.
Oh yeah.
Order in court. Order, and you are talking.
My honor, is it true? Is your side?
Your Honor, we all know that you get side chick now.
All right, counsel. I don't want any more of those.
Your Honor.
Hey.
Your Honor, please.
Counsel, questions.
Your Honor, there is an Akan.
No problem. Ask questions.
Hey, madam. Let me get close to you so that you see me very well. You say that it is likely that somebody here might like you.
Your Honor, he is trying to kiss my client. Why are you getting so close?
Yeah.
Why? Can you give me my client a space? Thank you, Your Honor.
Are you interested in a fine, dark-skinned lawyer? It's just a question.
What's our nigga? We want some power. Hey, Kabibitrano. Omo brought who muda okramante. Now would ye?
I'm just saying, Your Honor. Your Honor, my client said that I should tell him something, so I tell you something.
Yes.
Your Honor, straight to the questions. You said that my client, Jesus, came to take your son away when he was just 22 years old.
Yes.
Do you know that at 22, your son was an adult and capable of making decisions for himself?
My honor, the old lady insults.
Yes. You can't insult.
You
I've told you.
Insult.
And papa. Me can't about could be enough phone and more.
My honor, please.
Yes.
Just one question.
Yes.
You said you have abolished speaking tree in this court.
I didn't say that.
No, you said that. My lord, can you play the recording for you?
Me, I said no speaking of tree.
You go for speaking tree, but the vernacular. Please, why? That's why I said you are mean. Bias.
Counsel, be careful.
Madam Akunto, you said he took your son out. Did he force your son to follow him?
What said it?
Also say.
Mami nchire bumbra tree now beti asile. Who show me my client Jesus Kofi Yesu. Wo chichire uba no odi no ko. Wo force no odi no ko.
Na wo wonim Jesus no wote wo no. Enura wadi no. Opia na no ana me ba ne ejimi wa jimi si wo besin ne ena odi na chibusa no hey man.
My honor,
yes,
we don't believe spiritual things in court.
All right, objections sustained. Carry on.
And you also said that your son, since he started following Jesus, do you know that disciples no follow Jesus no? Objection,
Your Honor.
Yes.
Tell me one disciple that he was in family. Tell one. That's one. Who?
Simon Peter.
Well, which family he watch?
His family.
Which family?
He had wife and children.
Adriana. Were you staying in Simon Peter's house?
Yeah.
Were you staying in the house?
Were you also there when these things happened that you have brought into court?
Order. Council, I believe we can move on now.
Exactly.
He was doing illegal deforestation.
Okay, Council, thank you very much. Council, let's make progress.
Your Honor, let us establish that the mother has said his son is a thief. Let's keep that in mind.
No, don't mind anybody.
We are done. You are not coming back.
I want back. Madam Kuta, let's go. It's okay. Don't worry. You have.
My honor, the woman still threat.
It's African threat.
It's not African threat.
As if you say what the Kosiaba is, it's a threat.
Keep quiet.
You to keep quiet.
Order.
Can't shout to me.
Okay, all right. Next witness, please.
Your Honor, I would like to call the mother of our client, Mary, the Virgin, to the stand.
All right.
Hey, Mama Mary. Hey, Mama Mary, very simple and straightforward question. This your son, you gave birth to him. You suffered. Everybody in this room knows how much you suffered. You had to carry him, sit on a donkey and travel because they were doing census. Phil, were you there? You had to go and give birth, not in a hospital or in a house, but in a manger where there was no cloth. You
in a manger, not a manger. You know what is a manger?
He means manger, right? In a manger.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Right.
English, they say profedu. English is very difficult for some people. Let us carry on. You struggled. Then that man over there with the highway boy on his head.
I'm just saying, Your Honor.
The man is still picking on my client hair.
This hair, Your Honor, you don't talk about it like that. No. This, somebody, you go through pay, you grow hair here, you grow hair.
My honor, I wanna wear it there, you be boy. Apampamuna wear it there, you be boy.
Your Honor,
yeah.
This man is not a lawyer. I know him.
This guy is not a lawyer.
He's not a lawyer.
Every time he go offbeat, he take the thing off.
Off. You don't know what you are doing.
What
you
don't
even know everything.
As I was saying, Mama, ubre ubanu bre akwangote onu koton no ma Roman phone no ba be ku ubanu 33 years pe. Eno no ema oh. Ah.
Wait.
Okay.
Thank you, my thieves.
Your chiefs?
My thieves.
I'm confused, Kaka.
Hey, Your Honor, forgive her.
Your Honor,
the era she comes from, things like this are discussed in the palace. And so he has to go through the chief. Let me bring her up to speed.
I want to put it to you that this woman call you a chief priest.
I say, thank you, my thieves. I want the linguist man here to tell him the
just
truth.
Your Honor, I am not a linguist. He call we linguists. We are not linguists. We are lawyers.
Calm down. As I was saying, her era, they only spoke to chiefs about cases like this.
Just simply say Your Honor. Okay? Your Honor is fine. Don't chiefs, no linguists. Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Your diner, not Hannah. It's Your Honor.
Let me
She said Hona.
He said Dinah.
She said Hona.
He said Dinah.
Cancel.
Hey.
Your
Not
Honor,
from
sorry.
this.
Hey.
Your Honor.
Me pension.
Your Honor, can say, hey.
There's
Can
an
I
adage that says that or treat your baby na bobo force baby papa.
Can I spoke?
Yes, Mama spoke. Speak.
The questioning you asking.
Please check her microphone for me.
Mama,
The question you asking him. Me, Mary, I'm virgin.
Thank you.
Holy Spirit, roam, come enter. Then I born my children, Jesus. Jesus, small boy, I dey talk to him. He know the respect at all. He know they hear me. If I say sit here, he go say I go here. If I say come here, say me free walk around neighbor. You see, I want to stand here in front here and tell you, say, this woman and the children, they are super de papa, but then super. But then you see the ba.
Why what's that?
Masu Karia.
Your Honor.
Machachi. Karia.
Hey.
Your Honor, she's Hebrew. She's speaking Hebrew.
Julo Pape. Julo Jiame.
She speaks Hebrew.
Oba Toma Biane we chaka.
Hey.
Your Honor.
You can't stand here lying.
Hey.
Your Honor.
No. Your Honor. Order. What he talk is not anything different.
Wait.
She said she called water and you stick to hit her. That's all.
And Your Honor is a proverb.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You know where I come from.
Order. All right. So listen.
You know where I come from. What ask my back?
Mary.
Yes, sir.
You are sure you are the one who born Jesus?
Yes, I'm born him. The time we went for a party like this, people sitting here. Then my son, they drink everything finished. Then my son come telling me, say, I tell my son, say, the drinking is finished. Then I should shut up.
Yes.
You know what to do. Then you go take water, make the drinking. All these people, they push butter. Me, I thinking that my children is making nonsense. Not noise, is making proper things.
Okay.
Later on, all people see him say, "Where ni papa?"
Okay. So you thought your son was doing things. Your Honor, I want to put it on the court that I'm bringing my ear here.
Hey, look at these mosquitoes.
Wait. Let me see if I understand you. You are saying that in the beginning, when you tell your son to do this, he different
thing.
Emma no or dane so some amount for now fisa obano on tene. Beche na be hu say amount for say oye ni papa or ye no
Your Honor, it is Hebrew. She's just saying everything you said is right.
It's a Hebrew frafra.
Hebrew. Okay, thank you for the Hebrew.
Then my children grow. Then he's picking people. I have house. He come, mommy. I picked John. He was swimming fish. Then I said, "You leave the fish."
David. On swimming fish that.
Your Honor, do fish not swim?
Then I said, "John is good. Matthew is good." Then I was there. He bring me something like a guy. That is something.
Your Honor, I'm just saying. He called my
Then
client.
I tell my son, let me finish. You mosquito people, stop that.
I'm testing Your Honor.
Come call us
You call mosquito. Who are you?
You go Jesus and so what?
Whom am I? Whom am I?
Who are you?
Whom am I?
Yes, who are you?
Your honor.
All right.
He did not call them mosquito.
Then,
He said 2 musketeers. 2 musketeers.
yes.
Objection, my lord.
Wait. Please, let's help her finish and then we can.
They are disturbing her.
Yes, don't disturb her. They won't disturb her. So finish. And then he brought Judas home.
Then I said, Kai, wallahi, banyada. This person, when I see the face, and I look from down, going up to see here like motorway, no. How the head and the face is, that's how the stomach is.
Objection, Your Honor.
That's how the stomach is.
Can you just tell us and stop the insult? And
Your Honor, he said that this one is motorway, but this one is not motorway. It is highway.
All right, quickly for me.
Then my children, they listen. You go pick them. Now you see disgrace. You see disgrace. He's disgracing you. He betrayed you bad, and you died. People beat you, slapping you, putting drinks on you. Look at him. Today you ask your mother, make him weak like wizard day for wood top.
Hey.
He make his face like
Your Honor.
Obiodon Kofi.
No.
Come and stand here. Insulting my
Put
children.
your clients in order. Put your clients in order.
Insulting my children.
He insult you, Basa. Yeah, he insult you. Why? Say that you made your wig like a witch.
You didn't
that you are a
insult my
wizard.
children.
Okay, all right.
You didn't insult my children.
Let's bring your client to
You didn't insult my children.
It's okay. It's okay.
Your Honor, let's question. We don't
Now
have time.
I know why these 2 mosquitoes are doing.
Your Honor, you still calling us mosquitoes.
My children, Judas say he won't collect money from my children. That's why you make like this. You want to collect some.
Your Honor.
Wallahi talai. Wallahi talai. Bayi. It will never happen.
Okay. I believe they have questions for you.
Hey.
Your honor.
Over my dead body.
Mary. Your honor, if you look at Mary and how she saying it is a bad case, there is a very big case.
You won't collect fuck. You won't get fuck.
Are you sure you want to ask her questions?
No, I want to ask. I don't fight it. Your Honor, before I ask Melly,
Look at how I'm crying.
Melly Magdalene, how are you?
Objection. She's not Mary Magdalene.
Melly, don't cry. Fine. Please clap for Melly. Clap for Melly. He pregnant Jesus Christ for 9 months without knowing is the Holy Spirit who blessed. God bless you for bringing us the child who has saved the world. You are a good woman. You are a good woman. I like you. Your Honor, before I ask a question, I want to quote one prominent doctor who has gone through the system. He has learned very well, and now he is a honorable member of Ashanti religion. Your Honor, his name is Dr. Amoakohene. He quote something, and I quote the same thing. He said that a child can play with the mother's breast, but not the father.
Hey.
Your Honor, I think you need to end.
Your Honor, but why you allowed? Okay. Don't forgive me. I'm sorry. I shout on you. You are a good one. I like you. Mary, I want to clarify something. You say that Jesus Christ didn't respect.
All children don't respect when they are small.
Your Honor, put it on record that Jesus Christ, when he was small, he didn't respect anybody.
Your Honor,
you say that
she clarified and said, all children are like that. They are stubborn.
But
Children are like that. Don't play with this. They will play with it once they are. Children are like that.
Thank you. Madam, Mary, you said that Jesus Christ, you tell him that sit here, then he tell you that shut up. True of course.
He said, shut up. He said, shut up. He not mention my name.
Okay. Your Honor, I want to put it on record that Jesus Christ, he do what he like. Because he's the Son of God, he believed that he can call anybody. Because even the mother who gave birth to him, one time he tell him that, shut up. And the mother shut up.
My name.
They say that train the child very well so that when he grow, he will not depart from the load. This will not train him well. Final. You say that Jesus Christ turned the water into wine. And then he make people boost through of us.
They boost, they don't know their house, self.
Yes.
Some go to the bush and sleep.
Your Honor, I want to put it on record here that Jesus Christ, as he sits here, he has powers. He has control over everything, because how can human being take water and then he take the water into wine? The same way as he met Judas Iscariot, he said that, my friend, follow me. He hypnotized him because he followed him like a John, just like that. He don't know where he was going. So I know that he gives powers. Thank you, Honor.
All right, thank you. You are excused. You are excused. Mary, you are excused.
Madam, Mama Mary.
Your next witness.
Your Honor, we call into the box, the table.
Your Honor.
What is it?
Before they will call Judas, Mama Mary, Ubeba Betinasi.
Council, speed up for me, please.
Your Honor, I would like to call another Mary.
Okay, quickly, please.
We have another Mary that we will call. Now, everybody here knows her. Everybody here likes her. Mary Magdalene.
All right, Mary Magdalene. All right.
Madam Mary Magdalene, to me, tell us how you came to know Jesus.
My Highness.
My what?
Highness.
Your Honor, it's fine.
Highness.
Hannah.
My Highness.
There be any
Your
Highness.
Honor, he said that he call you Hina, your Hina.
Okay, the other can be okay. Yeah, go. Why?
You, this guy, you said what? What guys have been table of Mr. My Highness. My Highness.
I'm sorry.
My Highness.
Yes.
Samijina ha. Another year. Yes, until Mijina.
Okay.
Me did the Mele Magdalene.
Yeah.
Na me your bag Chamamboni. And a friend. Na me Yashawoni. Nana na make my answer. My Highness.
Yes.
Yes, you any babia.
Yes.
Na woni me nuanom e na na eti agoro.
Okay.
Na me de me wo hoda kubia na me ti ye. Edomo tua di Yesu achi. Me so me ya shawoni.
Wakasa aba.
Ma men kan say waje be firi niam bim. My Highness.
Can I say men can you men address me? Just can I say
Mate.
Right.
Mate, my Highness. Anu ti mi ti ye na mi tu di akire bi.
Okay.
E twa me ko na ye Yesu. Ba ma ni mo nyamfo. Ba ma konofuo bi. Ti me ya madwene say me de me ho ba kwa akosehye no na me na da. Ne freo na kamenya dai. No wo fa na kamenya dai. Me ya man to me and then na amfa ampeke me ye pa na ye na me kutu nanim e na be di aduhwam egu ne na ase na nyamia ni mu ni edan ya omwura ma me sumi wura mu bie no nipa no omuti Yesu nchen no ebi so ba we di obepede e wa ha oba adwamambo ni we di na mane ha o mo pam no ma no nkwa o hwe wo mo saa o se ne wo saa baba wa we Mary Magdalene wo be ka me ho e ya no kura mi di Yesu achi na mi di na achi no eniema wo ye wo mo ji wo mu firi wo haw mu amaniemu na no kura nkoda nchen mi realize osuwi owu ya no na Yesu ni baby a ye wo no ekura ne ye wo so no na Yesu ni ho ye frɛ Yesu ka kire ye sɛ ye nkan na obeba mi nua no ka kire sɛ onwui na wada Yesu di America tantan abai wo ba ni etwa adwado na Yesu ye da fam ye munimuni o hwe ye saa o se munya isu na munua no onwui
Yes, Biana look at say, Lysos, Sole. Naminia Sole. I may get 1 year China at Dania City. Now, Ray, at Yabagano from my share, I saw what it is to me. What bet you my film? Or Bonnie ni Petty and Yamani Paya and Sanfata. All right, by I bet you free Sunday, my way in them, but near Yajin, I bet you free. Now, what do that? What Pajak Rachina? Yes, only for baby. She's not guilty.
Maybe I told Papa Jet. I come over, you can walk by years who are Hallam.
Where are they?
Many were Hallam.
I said, just say,
Hallam.
I said, just say,
kindness of a short chest.
No. He said that he said that Hala Madrid is a football man.
My honor, she lied. He lied. He lied.
He lied.
She said Wahanam. So let's go to a score. We see Wahanam.
I don't understand the hala. Like halame.
No, it's not hala. It's not hala.
My Highness.
Yona, I think you know, but you are trying to,
exaggerate.
I think you know.
Yeah.
Or you don't know.
What clutch here?
If somebody say Wahalem, you don't know. You don't know Wahalem. So should we show you?
No, don't show me.
Clutch. Clutch also Wahalem.
No. Let's carry on. You are doing so well.
Wouldn't you know what's
Hey!
Order. One Padamate. One Padamapa.
Madari.
Judas is not one. Now, Pomiti, and then it's in Wayasa. Mummy said, and a pump.
It's okay. Come back home. You are doing so well. Into what group? What can Nico saw the individual at the camp? Why are they? Why are they? Why are they?
What? I can't Ukraina. Mobasa Mobaki, I can't Ukraina.
Put your client in check.
My Highness.
Question.
Please. This lawyer is sleeping.
My honor, let me move my seat.
You're sleeping.
Am I sleeping? Can't you see?
My Highness. My Highness, the American is say. All right, yes. What about you, Yankwa? And I'm going to the sea, so you're going to say, you're going to carry it. Woman, I'm able to come here. Woman, I'm going to want to do that, mammy. We are the one in the panel. What?
Cancel.
What I am near. Come over to her.
Hey, Mary
Madari.
Yona, last question. Answer another
Cancel.
Yona, I shall know that we are not saying what I.
Yes, Untimajai.
Oh, shit.
Yes, Unti.
One another.
What?
Yona.
Yes, Untimajai.
Yona, I think this question is a very important question.
Yeah.
Okay. And we need to address this issue. Yona, how can you tell us this story? And how can we believe it? Sir, you go to Jesus Christ. You, a prostitute woman, and you tell Jesus Christ, I'm a prostitute. And Jesus, you know this woman is a prostitute. But what jail? And what jail? As a prostitute, what did Jesus want to say them?
One in Quancha them, one casa.
My honor, not Stephen or not John or and yet a damn no quiet, a pity. The time I was not there, but the history is history.
How was I glad you know?
I add up. I add that a follow question. Madam. Yeah. Don't mind. Okay. You know, I like the time you stand inside. I like you are very truthful woman. Okay.
Catch you. What's it? Yeah.
No. You didn't cry like you are true woman. You say that you are a prostitute. True or false?
What's it? Yeah.
You say that. Oh yeah, so and cry and no cry.
Yes, Timajai, and no, me Pashawo. Yes, Timajai, what
when he cack Emuna, now Ashawo now, how many years as an Osia is when he cackaya? Many 17 kind of more years, but how many years? I will know.
I saw only there. Now me war match. Aye, me war match.
Enti
yes, you buy and about Jimmy free moon.
Yes, if you are, I say, oh, bread, and I'll do now, and I'll jail. Thank you very much, Madam. Your Honor, I want to put it on record. If this woman here is a shower, that he do that in so many years, and Jesus Christ, the all-knowing God, He is the supreme being. He is able to save this woman from a shower. Then why was He able to save Judas? And see that Judas is going to betray him, so He will save Judas out of the betrayer.
What the matter, man? What's the idea?
All right. Thank you very much. No
more questions. All
right. Thank you.
Hey. No, Your Honor, even I will let. He said that He will resurrect Lazarus. Such a powerful mind. Somebody died so many days. He said that Lazarus, Lazarus. Why not even this mind that He worked? You know ahead. You are the God of God. You are the King of Kings. You know the beginning to the end. Somebody is coming to betray you. You say that I leave him to go and betray me. How do you do that?
My honor. Obi odi Yesu achibia na ukrajim pedia. Odi this man is a wicked man.
Thank you, my highness.
All right. Your witness.
Yeah, Your Honor. I blink inside the bus. Judas is not. Judas, you are what as a human being? You are the God that you are.
My
Honor.
Good day, my Honor.
Question being,
like what? Tell the court. Yes. What work do you do before you meet this man?
My Honor.
Yes.
I was working in the company named Fisherman Company. I was a worker at Fisherman Company. That time I was an accountant.
You were an accountant.
Yeah. I was an accountant.
In a fisherman the company was called Fisherman Company.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly, no.
Precisely.
Yeah. Your Honor, he said it is precisely so. It is precisely what he's saying. Yeah. Now, when you see him, he call you that, follow me. You chop 22 years. Why you say that, Jesus, I don't go, but you follow him? Why?
Mana.
Why?
Jesus, you're the way.
Yes.
When you wicked and so strong.
Objection.
Jesus, way. When you nipa, obetima chame. Now be dinner chi. And listen when Nimra also no. No, wait. Wait. When you so to me, and you won't see. What you need to me, my also. Hey, catch it. What can a man count objection? Me pacho. So when you want, maybe my woman. I will say the truth, nothing but the truth. But anybody who force me, who take any money from Jesus Christ and say anything, I have my egg here.
My honor is African threat.
This is my egg.
Objection, you can't shout my kind.
It's African threat.
It's African threat. Speak the truth.
Your Honor, why he say he have his egg? He say he have egg. What do you use egg? You don't eat egg. So you say you have egg. That's shouting. Don't shout.
Okay. All right, carry on. Cancel.
Objection, Your Honor.
Cancel.
He cannot stand here and accuse my client of anything that he cannot prove with evidence.
All right. So stick to the facts. Say what you know. Talk. We are listening.
Mana.
Yes.
Yesu a wɔte wɔ yi.
Aha.
Ɔno na ohu me chame me.
Ɔchame o.
Ɔchame me.
Unim sɛ ɔchame o.
Me hu ni sɛ ɔchame.
Nti bɛtrɛ ya de konti a ofi sɛ ɔchame o.
Ade konti ni sɛ
me nka sɛ sisi a wobɛtrɛ yɛn.
Mɛkyerɛ wo.
Nti to a onsɛm no so.
Na ɔchame me no yekodu gallery. Ana me hu ni sɛ
Objection, him fam.
gallery.
Objection.
Is it gallery phone?
Exactly my point.
Your Honor.
Is it Samsung Gallery
Oh.
the
Nokia
gallery at the
Gallery.
Arts Museum?
It's a
My lord.
Galilee, you know, yeah.
My lord,
Yes.
when we were there, where were we?
Yeah.
Where? When we were there, where were we? Many years na no way.
Yeah.
Me pa chao. Swafo nyam so.
So now you have gotten to gallery. Carry on.
You do gallery. Many ba me ho so na bisa nsa he fa ne nam wo se minya botre. You feel o se be ko do Philippines.
Okay.
Philippians.
Yeah.
Philippines. You do so many ba me ho so na me bisa nsa na he o se nya botre. You feel Philippines so ani ye ko do Turkey.
Let me clarify. Your Honor, what the Turkey that he's talking about is the olden day Judea.
Exactly.
Judea in the olden day. Now they call it Turkey. Yeah.
And I'm catching the same person. Me befie. Was say if you can go home, go home. That time I cannot find any way to come back. So I decided.
What you can?
Yes.
What you can to obey the Chikurana?
Yes.
I saw 18 years. What you come over with your coin?
What's that?
Mana, I'm continuing my statement. Mana, if you read a Bible, Jeremiah chapter 1, verse number 6, Bible said,
Yes.
when you are the blood in your mother's womb, I know you.
I know you.
Believe me and trust me, Jesus Christ knows me when I was a blood in my mother's womb. Jesus Christ knows that I will become the freshest priest in the body in the children of the ladies. Yes. You should to understand. What I'm saying is, when I was a blood in my mother's womb, Jesus knows me.
Yeah.
So Jesus knows that he by all means come and took me from my mother's side and destroy me
to the public
and disgrace me to the nation and vibrating my head into pieces. You can see here.
How?
Simply because.
How did Jesus do this to your head?
No, you explain. You know.
When I was working with Jesus Christ, I am the best friend indeed. So every money that Jesus will receive, he give it to me. That time I was a cashier, so we put the money inside the box and I carry the box on my head. So the heavier of the box rolled my apartment. Yes.
Your Honor. You have something to say again?
I'm listening to you.
Okay. Your Honor, I want to put on record that Jesus Christ, as we see him, is the all-knowing God once again. He said that if you are the blood bottle in your mother's womb, now me, Jesus Christ, I know you. So he know Judas Iscariot already, that this man will grow and betray him. He can prevent him. Also, he hypnotized my ear. Because if you watch the Jesus Christ, he don't shout. When he walk, they have a small beat under him. If you get your son, he say, Dimechi. Your Honor, the Dimechi, he don't explain where you are going. He also start following him like a John, just like that. Your Honor, he hypnotized my client. He put him in a bad situation. He make him carry bottle, and then he wipe his middle head.
Exactly.
Your Honor, I want to put it on record that he had disturbed my client. Put him in jail, kill Jesus, and murder him. Thank you.
Objection, my lord.
All right, counsel. Yes.
Objection, my lord.
Let him finish, and then you can ask him your questions. Okay. Yes. You are done.
Yeah.
Mana.
Yes.
No, my colleague have one question before.
No.
He have one question before.
Please ask.
It will take long. Are you
ready? No. Quite short question.
Okay. Short, like short.
Yeah.
Okay. Your Honor, I asked about Judas' mother, about Judas' small picture, the Nkwabrim picture.
Okay.
But when you look at the picture in the Nkwabrim, the Judas standing here has totally changed.
Okay.
Because in his Nkwabrim, Judas was like Van Vika. Yes, that's the picture.
Then he grew up, he turned into Shatawali.
My honor, o change ya ono anu suman and I'm not changing.
Yeah, come on.
The crown one boy, he is a thief.
Who is a thief?
He's a character change of the self.
Your Honor, so as my colleague said, Jesus needs to be captured and kill him. Because you can't destroy somebody's son just like that and go scot-free. And after that, you destroy him to the whole nation. Right now, nobody can pronounce his baby after my client.
Yeah.
That's it.
Thank you. Your questions, your clients. Mana. Yes, your witness. They are coming to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. My honor.
Yes.
You can't put
Please.
your hands in your pocket whilst talking to my honor.
Counsel. Carry on.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Your Honor, I want to ask a client over a question here.
Ask him.
This case, remember me, a case happened at, I won't mention the court's name.
Okay.
When the two ladies fight at Jaso.
Okay.
Honorable, please listen to me well. This court is honorable court, right?
Yeah, you are speaking. I'm listening. I'm listening to you well, Sesen.
My lord, have you listened? And the ladies both fight, and one right there have a witness at Jaso, and another one don't have a witness, and he calls his friend at Ejira, and he told him what happened about the fight.
Okay.
And he told him, come and,
Be the witness.
Yes.
All right.
And when she came, I was a lawyer that time.
You were the lawyer?
Yeah. And I asked the lady,
Yeah.
this court of law, if you misbehave, you will go into imprisonment 10 years.
Okay.
The case happened at Jaso.
Okay.
And you two, you were in a dra.
Yeah.
So how can you be a witness here?
Okay.
And the lady said, my lord, I don't know anything about that.
Okay.
I don't know everything. She just told me that this happened and this happened.
Okay.
And so I presented him in the 10 years of court law.
You
imprisoned. If you look, this Judas, she betrayed Jesus Christ of Nazareth. The way they want to send him.
No. Do you know what you are supposed to be doing? You are supposed to be questioning the witness. Now you have become a storyteller and you are telling a story.
My lord, I forgot I'll come back.
My honor, I want to ask this Judas question.
Order.
My honor, Judas, I want to ask you a question. When you're talking, you said Jesus Christ forcing you to grab you.
Please, can you mention my full name for me?
Judas and Carrot.
Cabbage. Jesus is what?
Carrot.
You wanted a full name, he's mentioned a full name. Carry on.
Every carrot be carrot.
Every carrot be carrot.
Be carrot.
Yeah.
Yemre muno. Se okase Yesu forso na obwa. Ojina we obru 18 years. Obia nso se wunya 18 years.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, he never said that Jesus Christ forced him.
No.
He said that he charmed him.
No, let me talk. Let me land before
Go on.
Ubru 18 years. 18 years no would be yes, we be.
Yeah.
And to one so be that thou say na also watching say bedinachi. Unsa.
Yeah.
Dear Tosumienu, mine or your cromfo is a thief.
Objection, Your Honor.
Time one also sikana yadenebeto say on shesikasono. Or the Nsabo sikanima na Judas ye wia. Okoton Yesu Kristo eji sika. Na okoton me a betimi ne wan antibiem. Ni suba nti o ma Bible mu da.
Mana.
Yes.
The judge, everything he says.
The lawyer,
everything he says, he doesn't know anything about it. Simply because when we were there, where were him?
Where were him?
Where were him?
Where were him?
Your Honor, very simple and straightforward questions. I pray that the witness will give us simple and straightforward answers so that we move on. You said that other disciples have books in the Bible.
Exactly.
And you also want a book in the Bible.
Precisely.
The Bible tells us that these are the 12 apostles of Jesus: Simon, Peter, James, John, Andrew, Philip, Matthew, Thomas, James the son of Alphaeus, Bartholomew, Judas Thaddeus, Simon Zelotes, and Judas Iscariot, the one who betrayed him. If the witness will be so glad as to show us where the book of Bartholomew is in the Bible.
Objection, Your Honor.
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor. My client here, he has bring his case to court. If Bartholomew he should also bring his case to court. Must he come and fight for Bartholomew? We don't think about Bartholomew here. We don't care.
What my lawyer is saying is truth.
Yeah.
I'm here to defend my name, but I'm not here to defend somebody's name. So if Bartholomew name did not appear in the Bible, I don't care. It's back of my case.
Yeah. It's back of your case, yes. Carry on.
Thank you very much. I like where this is going. Mr. Judas, are you aware that the books with the names of the apostles in the Bible, those books were written by the apostles themselves and not Jesus?
You are telling lies simply because Jesus Christ, if you read First Thessalonians,
take your time.
First Thessalonica.
Okay.
I come.
Yes. First Thessalonica, chapter 1, verse number 3.
Thessalonians.
Bible says Jesus, he knows everything. And
hey,
Jesus,
are you sure that is where it is?
Yes, it is where. We are here in our country when a pastor like Sofu Obini, he mentioned a quotation, it's not in the Bible, so it's not me alone. It's not me alone.
My honor, you can't mention somebody's name. Why? Because there's somebody.
I am Fatoho.
What is in Fatoho?
It's constipation. And Fatoho. Yes. It's constipation. My lawyer.
Yes.
What I'm saying is, Jesus Christ here, he do everything. He knows how to manipulate some people. He knows how to damage some people. So if you read Matthew, Luke, John, all of them names appear in the Bible.
Yeah.
Except me. My name is not in. That is why I'm here to appeal, so that he can write my name into the Bible.
I mean, I am understanding that you are not meaning your name, but the story about you, me, your calling, the things about you.
Exactly.
My Lord, please, can I come in?
Yes.
Please.
His name is in the Bible.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to correct.
So
yeah.
What is
so what exactly are you looking for? That's
my
the
Lord,
question.
my Lord, what I'm saying is, me per se.
Why?
Me per se. Papa menene nam no. Me yema no. Any boni a menene nam no me yema no. Omien cho sanye mani bi e wo Bible.
Okay, so the things you how your experience with it, you should write
e wo Bible ni efi say. Ohwe eye Peter we yini ma 3 times. Mimi no yini ma ba ko Peter o de ne boni che no. Me one for me boni an che me ba ko pe.
My honor, last day is a dangerous.
What?
Last day is a dangerous. Or say, onu ni yini ma ba ko pe. Ba onu ne ba ko no ya pam no bi yini ma 3. Ba onu de ye pam no. Ba onu no wan no. It's a dangerous.
It's a dangerous.
Your honor.
All right.
If he wants to compare himself to Peter, Peter denied knowing Jesus. Peter did not go to soldiers to go and sell Jesus and take money from it.
All right. Thank you.
I bring the money back
to who?
Them. To them.
After they had caught him and they had beaten him and they were going to kill him.
Yeah. And nothing I make a chain say Sikanam di buy no. And nay Mutimi Academia making 30 million gold. Nama diama almost to me bedding.
And so we were them Hannah's of a sort to Bedia.
Remember this can be.
Okay. All right.
Sabe Pepe.
All right, thank you.
Judas.
Is there anybody here who wants to name their child Judas?
Thank you very much.
So your honor, Jesus does not have to do anything. The people who will do it, they will do it. Why do you drag him to court?
Thank you very much. All right. Judas, you are.
We release our client. Judas, you do well. Please come.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Your honor, where we have gotten to.
The last witness we can call
the very
Jesus.
last witness.
My honor, she blow me.
Who what?
She throwing the duku to my mouth.
Which mouth? I'm sorry, I didn't see. I would have punished him. Next time, let me see before he goes. All right,
your honor, where we have gotten to, the person I want to invite to the witness box is a very astute person. I'll ask if you indulge me and ask permission to let everybody stand up.
Counsel.
Yes, your honor.
Call your client.
Yes, it is my client that I'm calling.
Call him now.
Your honor, the Lord and Savior of our world, the one who saved you from all the sins that you have committed. Okay, yes, the judge does not respect you, so you is okay. Your honor, I would like to call to the stand Jesus the Christ. Everybody, you can clap.
Jesus.
Jesus.
My Lord.
How are you?
I am fine.
Very well. This your very good friend has brought you to court that you knew that he was going to betray you. You knew he was going to get a bad name. You did not do anything about it. With all the powers you have, charming him and doing everything, you still allowed him to go ahead and betray you so that he will get a bad name. How do you answer to that?
Lawyer, kindly let the court know that I want to speak Tree.
Feel free.
Ashanti Tree.
Flow.
Your Honor, Judas se wakasa na we ni paponene. Judas wakasa na we o wadwem bone ewo ni tirim.
I didn't try.
Many Judas eni asuafo nyina nam no e di odo ne kro ye ene nante ye. Manye obi abone da.
Okay.
Eye me nwanwa se Judas atakuru me edi ma begina court wa se opese ni din eba Bible mu.
Okay.
Osatra me mensa enifa so. Otra mensa enifa so a enye ye. Okasa no ose sika no osan edekoi. Meni meja edi obi apɛ ama no.
Na the obi apɛ ɛna wɔyɛ ɛnyɛ nhyɛ so. Yɛnhyɛ obiara. Deɛ wobɛyɛ no waa wohunu mu no wogye sɛ ɛyɛ ma wo a na wakɔ so na wayɛ. Yɛbusa Judas sɛ abra ɔde sika no kɔɔyɛ no ɔnu ne hɔ ɔde sika no kɔɔyɛ no ɔsakyɛ n'adwene ɔnu ne ho no ɔsakyɛ n'adwene adeɛ a mepɛ sɛ mubusa Judas ma me no sɛ wɔnu ho na wɔasakyɛ w'adwene a wonni akɔnya sɛ wobɛbɛtena me nsa nifa so ama na yeye sɛ wɔnu ho na wɔansakyerɛ w'adwene a wonni akɔnya sɛ yɛbɛtwerɛ wo din ɛwɔ twerɛ kronkron no emu sika no wopɛ nti na kɔgyeeɛ ɛna woyii me maayɛ nti baa ɔde bɛba no mehu ɛso fa so biara ɛwɔ so sɛ Judas ɛde me baa deɛ wɔpɛ no ɛna ne nsa aka.
Okay.
No, I think you finished. Let's come because we don't have time. We want to run away fast. Jesus Christ, God bless you.
Major Israel.
Amen. God bless you because you have come to die. You sacrifice your blood to die to save the human world. Because of you, we have Easter.
Yeah.
And now we do Ashanti Fest. God bless you.
Major Israel.
God bless you because Ashanti Fest, it will stay big, biggest. And every year Easter, we will go ahead and mention Ashanti Fest in the whole world. That people will travel from across the globe. And this is my colleague from Pluto. He will bring people from Pluto to come and attend Ashanti Fest.
Okay.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Jesus,
my Lord,
you are all knowing, true or false?
Come again.
You are no only be bia we are sebeboa.
You are all knowing.
All knowing.
All knowing.
You are the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. You are too wise. Nobody can be compared unto you. You are God. You are God. You are God. You are God. True or false?
Eja Oba ene susun kunkun.
I don't ask Eja Oba ni susun kunkun here. I say that unim be bia we are true or false.
Major.
Why can't you stop him to say Major? Say
Major and a boss any assassin.
Yes. It was ja a boss on assassin Oba a ja and a concrete. Wouldn't be what we say. It's a Bible. We say, Yayapo Jatua, why and I yamuno. Now wouldn't him. Why?
Correct.
Unimuan and Chesa Bibiano.
And Unimuan Chesa Bibiano. No, that Sabono is on a Obi Bayimi Amma. And Peter X say, Yes, I am here now. Okay, there be. But you must say, Yes, I am here now. Okay, I don't Judas and Quakobus. I say, Yes, I am here now. It's a corner quiet there. There's a window, a trap. That means your honor. Jesus Christ here, he knows, he has programmed. It's a script that he has kept with his father. When you are choosing your disciple, why didn't you find any other person to say that will betray you? But you force her, you don't find Judas, you don't rest. You force her, you find Judas because you have scripted him with your father. At this time, you will program him to betray you, and then after you destroy his name. Your honor, I want to put it to Jesus Christ that he is abysmal, he is a betrayer, he leads people into on, and then later he find them in a very difficult situation. I will ask my case.
My Lord, my Lord, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord,
please. I think your client has something to say
my
first. Respond. Then you can ask your.
My Lord.
Okay, my
Yes.
Lord.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Trying to say, since you joined the Baba, Nemo.
Na die na me su be ba no die ondua.
You know the Adamana Sumana Banu, you know him already. I didn't know Madame Sumanaba, Osia or Bagama for you. What's that's a year? Obinam, Naniefra, what not here? Obiau, when you know. I don't think I'm more than you.
Objection, my lord. Objection, my lord.
Right, so your objection.
My lord, I have a question.
Yes, quickly.
I want to ask my learned friend here.
Please ask.
Do you know red? Unim red.
Red. No, Your Honor, the question is for this one. You see, Your Honor.
It's rather you, not you.
Oh, no, you're
promoting something in the court of law.
Sit down.
You're promoting something.
About you.
Okay. All right, back to you. Any more questions for him? We're done? Yes.
My lord, where are we cutting my question?
The red has nothing to do with Jesus. You have Jesus to cross-examine.
Maybe you're taking some. That's why
you have.
Objection, Your Honor. What do you mean I have taken red?
Objection overruled.
You do overruled. Sit down.
Sorry, my lord.
Order.
Your Honor, sit down. Sorry.
Your Honor, my little colleague raised some concerns and I would like to address them. He said that the blind man Jesus used spit and.
Counsel, is the question to Jesus?
He threw the question around.
I want us to cross-examine Jesus.
Yes, sir. The Awobusani say. Ni friend need your tea say.
But counsel, you are done, right? You already ready?
But Your Honor,
a question has come. I'm answering. You say you should answer.
Your Honor. I thought you had a follow-up question.
Yes.
I have a follow-up question.
Ask him quickly.
Your Honor,
and let's be done.
Your Honor, I don't allow for follow-up because he finishes 10. We come. Why you allow him to go again?
Ask fast. Let's go. This is the last one.
Follow-up question.
Ni
friend need your friend say David Baba Jimmy. Na wuti do tie ni teso di san yare. Oba no de moja betu no bebre no. Oba be so utare ani mu na ono so ono anu wonya na yare sa no kra de nya na sa no yare. Aden na Judas nko ade. Oye kronfo ambroba kronfo unsa no yare na oja no sa.
Judas obia na obey me obia na makoma edan so na menim say Judas unyame a obeton me.
It's a lie. It's a lie. You can't tell me that. Now you know everything. You know it. You know it. You don't know Judas. You know it. This is
okay.
That or else. Sure.
Okay. Okay. Can he answer, please? And then let's end this. I have to go.
As a lawyer,
quickly, please. Jesus, you are speaking.
Lawyer.
Adwinbonia na Judas. Ewo na chiko no. Wo me ne unam. Kokram. Ebeto pampam. Me ma wodro. Ne mo me chinyi na enfu bio.
Yeah.
Afe tibe biem na menye. Ba wo de me ba ye fa so be na wo so.
Mana objection,
okay.
Mana.
Thank you.
Objection.
Yes. What are you saying?
Jesus.
Yes.
Otimi ade nyina yi.
Ya waka sa.
Adenti ana kokwan beto ho no. Wanti na sam yale.
Anya ona so ma oduro na
Boboa.
All right, so I think we are done. Now it's time for me to.
Your Honor.
If there are no more questions for Jesus, I think we can let.
Don't have any questions. Finish.
Your Honor,
we're done.
As for me, I am done. If anybody else has anything.
Yes. Jesus.
Right,
Your Honor, Bosomi and Sen won't Chiameka. Intention.
Why?
Your Honor.
Intention.
Hey, your Honor report on Jesus. Your Honor,
Your Honor, you work with people, you don't pay them. Oh, Your Honor.
Internship, you check.
By internship, they don't pay.
Yes, where do you see anymore?
All right, Jesus, you can take your seat. I believe you can.
Your Honor, thank you. Kobusam Meja and then the man shower. Oh, yeah, they'll have you.
Actually, and your money, it's in a mother here. Minim says some more can you know about the real so, Miss Satan. And I same way Baby Remy so. Yabo we are saying, Nami Waho. And son, I will buy a nipa we are saying, Nami Waho.
Oh, he.
Nya wabaye nyina medimani
It's your money and saying.
Bibia esi wo wiase bia no na mo de shame Satan e de na maye obi nsa kwatina si achi akonya accident kura no na ye de shame Satan maye dan obi abufu kankan bia ba ne so no wabo ne girlfriend aprapra no kura no yese eyebonsam maye dan Ana no yakoto oba mo binya 38.2%. O say ye me Satan. My name.
Somewhere politics.
Papa Dad. Mesro. So what did Jesus? I need to the assembly we are. The next case, I am me Satan versus Jesus.
Can be impossible.
What's that saying?
My honor. Ofri here what didn't want be case in this is here.
I assemble mo kan nyina ba be wiam so. Etina wo se me banam be yima no.
Okay.
Esa se minim dia mo wi asifo mo timi ya.
Nana
What is some be brasam wo wiase?
Nana bonsam.
Aha.
Nana bonsam ya da say. The other kind no.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you.
Thank you. Ewan sema yegua ena nsem bi wo a wo ye nipa te se me na e di usi akonyem na e di Jesus be kira ho se di na asema obetu aheda 52 years na yen san free case no. So this is my judgment. We cannot destroy our country, the future of our children, and blame it on the devil. We cannot destroy our water bodies, our forests, our health care, the security for the old and aged in our society, and tomorrow say we want to build a cathedral for God to save us. We must do what we ought to do as responsible human beings. The will is in our hands. The choice is ours. Judas had his choice. Whether it was written or not, we have free will. God help us. May we do what is right for the future of our country. Thank you for coming out. Thank you, Regional Minister. This is unprecedented. I was born, raised, bred, fed, schooled here in this city. Right in these halls, I've done countless number of shows. I schooled right here. Never in this country have we had a minister who is, no, feel free to clap. Never have we had a regional minister. No. Never have we had a creative arts minister who is as passionate and supportive of the arts as Dr. Frank Amoako-Hene is, let alone a regional minister. In less than 4 months, it doesn't matter how imperfect these shows have been, the efforts the man and his team have put in. If you don't want to be Judas someday, I think it is time, no matter your party colors, it is time for us all to throw our weights behind this man to help him succeed, so we also succeed. Sebe, ebeye ya senyansa nim se yebe pesa papa ebe feli. Ebeye ya se yebe pesa yenye bida. May he succeed, may Kumasi succeed, may Ashanti region succeed, may Ghana succeed for the first time. God bless you for coming to support.
Before you bless Dr. Amakohi, here we go. I want to also acknowledge my girlfriend who has come here. His name is Kafui Danku.
Beautiful Kafui Danku. Please, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for. I see miracles in the audience. I see the team. We cannot mention the names, but she came all the way from Accra. Miracles. For the amazing work you've done for this industry, we appreciate you. Anybody who contributed a dime, a penny, a CD to make this thing work, we are grateful to you. We will call the director of this particular show to join us, Frank Gabin, the director one, to join us for us to. Please, let's all rise.
Give them. Hey, yo, Kwams, look at one side. Hey, let's go. Go, family.
All right, we'll take now. 1, 2. Okay, wait. Likey. To say we appreciate you. Thank you for coming out to watch us. We appreciate you. Thank you. Have a good evening. You can take pictures outside. You can take pictures here, but outside will be better. Let's take as many as possible, and then let's go home.
Go, follow me.